Welcome back to Toga TV, and if you never subscribe, more you subscribe now and put the bell to all, and make sure you say drop a comment on the movie, yeah. And most and foremost thing I want to know, share the movie to everybody. You understand? Share it to your family member, your friend, everybody more and share it. If you not watch it, if you never watch a movie before, more share it. If them never watch nothing yet on the channel, more to share it to them. You understand? Share it because you want to go out in the world. You understand? So here now, the movie is sponsored by Empress Anaya. So I want to go over our channel, our Viva channel, and stream our new song called Baby Feed Street Jenna. You understand? And Empress Anaya. So I want to go over there, like up our page, subscribe, everything. I want to run up the song on Spotify, Apple Music, everything. All the I want to go over there, support. The support her because it's a nice lady and she sponsored this movie. So every link within the description is to go over her Viva channel. Alright, so I want to go over there and just comment on the video and say Toga sending over this. Alright, so remember, like and share and subscribe on this movie. Alright, blessings.
Wicked and evil.
Oh, go on. There, what is it? So take her out like father. Oh, building. Oh, I tell you, I chat to more there. But 2 minutes, I didn't have grip on a fast move. Man, where I say now? Oh, you want it a 2-story. Alright. It's true, I'm a virgin. I just take. Give me 900. I'm believing if you just pay for the labor them also. Yeah, I know some labor. Yeah, you can deal with. So you have to pay the labor them and I just come and work. The whole everything. Yeah. No man, that I just see bottom part alone. The first level. Neither level are different. Alright, so tomorrow meet up on Long Island. I will start with the foundation. Now even I'm going to send out material and everything just to buy and start out. Yeah. Yeah man. That's the word. Yeah, I have all the labor right too now. Yeah, I carry with me tomorrow. Alright. Alright, my father. That's the word. Yeah,
Yo,
the
big food man.
Yeah man, that's the word,
Yo.
man. That's it.
Yo, me can't believe that, bro.
It's
Me
long
so
time
on
a
touch
trade.
then level there, you know, me
Long
can't
time
tell
a
it. Big
trade,
money.
man.
Where's that coming on the work?
Yeah man, I
Yo,
get
man,
up on the
respect.
work, man. Nah, let's
Yeah.
go up, man. I can eat a food. You
God
see it?
no, man.
You see me?
Yo, I told me I come on here, by you. I want to reach it, man. Them like,
No
yo.
man, me I make
But
you
me
get the
can't get
money
them
off of
big
the
phone call there. You say if me get them big phone call there. It's like how you ride a bike. Me not tell you nothing
time.
still. Yeah, me know for the timing, man. Like how you have a bike still to move.
Then I buy a car along up long
Alright,
time. Take work.
mother buy one little
You see it?
car
Me sell
and
the car
it's
too.
like how me
That's
know it
why me
straight
have
to
this.
me can build my own house and get some little labor. You want some more live their life like you.
Work in progress. And see if you watch what me I do. You can. learn the trade and start as a owner thing. Like
Yeah,
because I
man,
watch more what my uncle used to do, you know. And I learn the trade, I take a trade from him, I learn everything. If my bill a black or something, I did it to a look. If my bill black, I ask him question, how you put up the rack that's now? How you know it's your level? And
then,
everything.
then the mother did the carry up on the work, man. And I say, look down. I say, how you do that? Every day that show me.
Yeah,
So
man.
I go up on the work, them to get their little work there. Yeah, man, me do it and I say, how you tell me, you feel me?
So we deal with the
Yeah,
work.
man.
You understand?
They are really friendly on it.
But there, man, just go and eat him. Woman there and just not too long gonna work and say, now come out of some
So, my baby, I'm going to school this morning.
Must have been baby mother not too deep and steady part.
No, man, I
know
don't see me the
that
action I baby me talk about fear that.
you're supposed to go to school, man. But say she not live with me.
Oh, she got
Yeah,
she got.
baby mother, yeah.
She got. But you're supposed to be knowing she going to school, man.
She going to school, man, because she have money, man. Yeah, money.
Oh, for real.
For weekend. Month end, yeah, money for me. Understand? Give me a quote.
Rough boy, me do boy, I don't know if my man now work, so well, I stress about me, you and that. No, daily could free. I'm glad I can't up on the work, them still in a more while. I get all, you give me all of 7 grand or 10 grand and 12 grand. There's some boy look up on different work with some people don't know me and like they don't know respect for me, so you know what I mean? Come on, labor. And then like give me all of 4
But if you turn up for your money,
no, but
if it's true, and bucket now.
yeah, but if it's true, like them a priest and them big work me I do, so they not give me money. I have to take it because by an idea, and me alone I work, and my woman now work. I may have to take care of bills I have. Yes, I mean, when I get the money there, for instance, I get 5,000. Yes, I mean, I come home, I have to put on all 2,000, 3,000. I have to try to get food in the house. So then little money then I have to put on. Yes, I mean, by an idea, I have to turn up and take it again to pay a bill. So, someone come up on a big hurt, them and be rich. Yes, they are 15,000.
Exactly,
yes,
work with me, you
but
never lose.
Where people can call me and say, yo, why price is that? Why price? How I get just said, oh, 900,000 so yeah, just bottom the floor. So much you charge the top floor? 9 to?
Different money, man, girl, we are go on different level, you understand?
Real,
And that's why I'm virgin too, because I normally charge 1.5 them money. Them.
Yo, me so rich level still, but more on the level there depend, man. So me there differently, man. Me just say me make a pass show and come link. What time I go on the work tomorrow? You can just call me in August.
6 o'clock.
6.
Yeah, cause Orange Bay.
I wake up from 5 then, because before I go, you know, I have to make mama get breakfast. You know,
check me for early. And your woman too, you need to make she get her work.
Yo, you know, I get no work.
One hand can't clap in her house.
You know, I have to make man, I'm a man for truth, I have to work.
You have to work and care money come, but if you work too.
You know,
one little thing on
you know,
the side,
me youth.
Buy some panty gear, make she walk.
You know, still, but you know, say my youth. I send me everything over my grandmother. I'm going to come down for a weekend. Because one bed dog, by the time I go down, I'm going to roll over, I'm going to flick up stuff. I can't put the youth in here. Because I'm going to roll over and get squeezed up by the time. A weekend, I can come down. When I come down, I'm going to woman sleep on the bed. Understand? Yeah, man. I'm going to say, I'm a youth that every time I sleep on the bed and me sleep on the ground. You get what I say? Because youth come first. I make me a work hard too. You see me? Yeah, man.
But you soon bust them, man.
No, bust the right way, man.
Yo,
I can check you 5:40.
Alright.
5:40.
We get up early morning.
5:40.
So anytime you come, I'm right.
Alright. Yeah, man.
See?
Bless up yourself here.
Alright. That's your
yeah, man. Respect for your work, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Oh, babe. Anyone know what just go on? Alright.
How was
Get a big work, so everything are good. You know?
What kind of work that?
To build one whole 2-story house, make it the contract. Yeah, I just charge man 900,000. But so I'm a virgin.
Yes, you know. Chief, though.
No, you know, so I normally charge 1.5 for the whole floor alone.
Why? More than never make a house to me. If me never
You done the whole building now 1.5 now. That's what
Oh,
my
I think
virgin.
you mean like the foundation.
No, sir, if you done the whole building. But you are my virgin, I'm saying give me 900,000 and I finish it.
Okay.
But you have paid the labor of them and other people.
Mm-hmm.
But that was my money to build it up, flash
That's
it,
so
everything.
interesting though.
Yes, so I got money and know and thing, everything I got nice, you know. So I can put on, look for put on one more.
And buy one better bed. And bedded too. Cause the bed just look awful.
That's in a process. That's in a process. Cause mama say, yeah, watch, I want TV too. Can brother, yeah, watch.
58 inch.
Relax, man. Remember, say me not get the money yet. You know how much you done it actually 100,000.
So look how much money I make.
Me can't afford
You
it.
mean, you know? You mean.
Oh, me
But
for mean, and I me I pay the bills them go through right through. Me I give and to more money. Me work that's so me have to carry back in the bills. Me
But
work
they have
that's so
a fine,
me have to
but
carry
they're
back
still
for
paying.
you. Me work that's so me have to carry back in the food grocery. You understand? Me have to mean, me have to stingy with the money. Me caution. I don't really say mean. Me caution with the money.
alright, so.
Me caution with
So,
it.
like, me no caution with mine.
And at that man, you have to smart, you see. If you go buy a bull down this on a 6 feet and you can get it downtown for $40, go downtown and get it for the $40.
So, me not have to spend the $20 if we go downtown go get it for the.
Listen no man, you walk your foot go down there. At them there God give you as a motorcycle.
You know how far
And your
that
vehicle.
there? You know how far that there?
You walk, look how me walk go down there.
Yeah,
And you
man.
save that the money there, you
Let's say if you walk
save
for
it. You
true.
save it.
So, man love boom ride.
Oi, nobody with no boom child business. You ever hear me walk on the road there and say, oh, let me down this. Me not do them this.
So suppose
And me have much friends.
Suppose I not do it when me there on.
Listen, me have my friend where I drive. You understand? And that's why I buy a piece of old bike out. That's some more time in our work. So me walk my foot. More time in our work because you have a battery problem.
Yeah, so when you work now, buy one better bike. Come in like the bike then too small.
No, the bike there, it carry me through hills and valley.
And it
And it
always
go carry me
a
through
puncher. And every minute you stop
No,
and want to talk about
that's
something for
too
help you
ride
push
it
start
hard.
it. Me
It
not you think
punch
we
up.
love push start
Let
bike.
me tell you what you want to know. You want the shocks, the front shocks. So if you don't know if you have no money, you never work, you can help me buy a front shocks because you can't work on your mouth, can't help put it towards it. You understand?
No,
You want
no,
the front
that
shocks,
was-
so when you buy it, jack down in the wall, so you know no pressure if it come up back so it a clinch.
Me not buy
The
no
rim a
front
go
shocks
clinch it
here.
too.
Me not like the bike there.
So,
Where the big
and that's why
are.
I ride so slow, I come down the lane because I don't want nothing to do it. A long time,
You can't say
I'm
you love that bike then.
I'm the first big money me use bike. Because I love it. I'm see it one long time, I love
Well.
it. So, what you do today?
Me I gotta work. So gonna work.
You get work today? So you don't tell me.
Come on, you have to find out anyways.
Boy,
Oh,
you see now you don't want me know about your money smartly, you know. You don't want me know when you are work. That's
Yep, stop once now. Housekeeping work. No, sir. It is awful.
Come just get your work and me can't tell you how much money me I get. How much money I get?
Look a bit of money.
Me never say that to them. I say, how much money I get? Like 10 grand.
30,000, 35.
You see? You can buy grocery that week then. Because I don't know when I get the money. You can buy grocery that week then. You understand? So
So me have to buy grocery. Alright,
You see?
me put money. Yeah, put on me I put.
So you can buy grocery that week, yeah? Just buy grocery.
I have things to start out too. Like you know have your bike, if you start out, you like your bike, me have other things to start out. Feel like say,
Even when me have things to start out, me make sure you get your grocery money. And what time, you know, I'm working now, what time you are going? What time you have planned to go?
You just run me, sir.
Look on the time now. What time you have planned to go?
I want old woman. May I take
Go on, man, and you reach earlier, you can get a tip.
Them not tip nobody. You ever see
They will
them?
tip you up if you have
I
early.
Jamaican people are not foreigner
It
there.
no matter they will give you money for your pay, they have to say you work good, because you clean house properly. Yeah, best like you know want to go?
Some of them must go work.
Come and left your dumb road.
Me not like the old bike there. It just old and it always a drop in a pocket.
Come on, let me left you down the road. What I mean by no like? From what you just had this up my bike, you know?
Come now.
TV.
Good evening, Mr. Johnson.
No, I'm not Mr. Johnson. That person got fired. He was thieving the money out of the company and giving it away to his girls them around the place. And we'll find him account them and ship the money out of the business, go film account and for film account the girls them account.
Anyways, I'm Mr. Johnson. Let me get the work here. So.
Oh, you're the female that say, oh, me come sit on the file, so my employer
Yeah.
to your no place.
Yeah.
The place really messy, him keeping the place really messy. I told them want him in there try to clean the place. But anyway, can you work?
Yeah, right now. I'm come to start like today.
So you really want to work?
Yeah.
You're desperate?
Yeah, very.
I like desperate people. Because when I was desperate, and when I was desperate, I get what I get, and alright, let's go into it. I like the star on your chest, though, on your blouse.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Address.
Address. Where's address? I not live here, I know. You want to know my address?
No.
Where's my address a while ago?
It's address.
Oh, you said the dress?
Yeah.
I like the star on your dress.
Okay.
I wish I was on your dress.
As me
Right,
say
and
no,
pop,
me
pop.
never really come in the morning for basically have no.
You come in the
Maybe,
morning before you come?
But that's want to get to work, that's all, sir. So you can just
What
tell
do you
me.
want though? Why do you work? Why do you work?
You know, I said, well, I don't know why they fire Mr. Johnson because he would have start work long time instead of me the years so I get some
Listen now, I'm telling you something. I am a man that can give you work. What about getting a work on the top of work? Yeah, work while you get
Me
work.
no want to work on top of
Double.
my work. Nah, double work. Just one work I come for do, and that I want come for get done. Okay, sir?
Why every word the end you have coming on it? Why you have come and come and come? Why you can't just talk to me now, man? You know, say use that trouble. I will charge you, you know, for sexual harassment, you know.
Me touch you?
No, but every time you look at me and say come and come, you emphasize on the come every time.
Something wrong with it?
You, I don't like, you see, this is why, you know, why them send a attractive girl like you know such a way up me now?
Yeah, I'm a boss. Now look at me.
I'm not your boss. You
Then
just
who
a-
you be?
I am a worker for the company, but I know me go pay you. Them I pay you. Only way me go be your boss unless you take the extra work. Where you go and get extra. You see money them I pay you. Come see what you get, you know. Because double up that day.
Man, I double up, man.
And you understand money, you know. Much money them I pay. You know money I get paid.
I'm not for no, I'm just come.
A little chum change I get paid. Me can triple up your 300% raise for what them go give you like you're the prime minister. You could have been like prime minister when you come out, you know. You could have everything. You could have come and chapter 10. You can come and chapter 10 and you get then provide lunch. You get lunch, breakfast and dinner.
Boy. How much am I paying?
You pay them, I don't them have $10,000 99 cents.
So what?
And them go deduct. We call it housing trust or type, they go this so employee, I don't know what a SPPC, whatever.
I take a little bit of money
They
there.
want to take the tax them
So
out.
how much money me I go get by the time?
By the time you're done, you only get 175 and a little bit and change.
Yes, I can't work until with you.
So that is some man. But for you just split and you right now, a while ago you know, me go for right.
No, low, nobody load up, not right or something.
Alright, so what you do, you go out, it's when you come work, please do some shadow things and that. You live with man?
I don't know your concern.
No.
Just know say.
No, listen now. I've ensured I get extra money, make him alright, he can't suspect nothing.
Not one.
Alright, so because me, no wife myself. Right?
Alright, we spawn for start it.
Alright, first you go in the bathroom and start clean.
Wait, but before you even go further, so how much more money are you going to give me?
Me go 300% to pay anything them give you. Me I give triple time that.
That's so bad.
Yes, so you go in the bathroom and you bend over and clean right round at the back of the tongue there, and don't use a liquid something there and scrape it. Don't use the big house and scrape it too fast. I will come on the consumer yard and say that I do a good job. Right over, you have to bend over the balls to do it, and I will come. Go on.
I know I'm here to bend over behind.
Alright, I soon come. Go on around there.
Alright.
Alright. Look, good door. Your man don't know when have until he lose it. This are the 6 bag of water I drink for a man.
But don't work now, so I'm going for the extra work.
You know, I'm very, you see, one I think I'm not looking at lawsuit. So anything we're gonna do, it's got to be somewhere else. So I'll give a location and you come there, and from you come there, money run there, we have fun there.
So we spar, just starting.
Alright. I have an extra room. Our building. We go tell our party just come. No, one text you. Give me a number. Don't take the number because I don't know if they might record anything in a song. I have your number for the file there now. Are you real number this, right?
Yeah.
Right, that's all. Pick that. Are you number this one? More text you the location and you just forward. You want to start this evening?
Yeah.
Alright, go on home. Fresh up yourself, wash out this something. Because
Wash out.
you walk all day with this man. You wash it out and forward.
That's all like
Fresh up yourself then. Titivate up yourself, I mean then. I don't say wash out your
you
mouth.
fit titivate up yourself to come and like phones, you man.
Listen me. I know what you like. I know beg me a beg and money me a spend.
Anyway.
And you all me come, you take the same way, but you I do a job.
I take the same way because I can't stand certain smell. So you try.
Rasta never smell yet. Rasta smell natural. You think, yeah, listen me. Which goat them say is the best goat? You know what coming to the country man, which goat is the best goat?
I don't know about goat.
Ram goat is the best goat, cause they rank. Go ask anybody about that. Ram goat is the best goat. Strong scent, strong ox. One, let's move forward. The more text you. One, let's move
But
text
I
you.
take you all day if you text me.
I mean not, you know, take you whole day if you come. Cause me not, one thing I do for make you enjoy yourself, you know, I do for, cause I have money worth. For my money, for me good, me gone.
Alright. Hi. What's the yeah, just
Oi.
one.
Where I go?
You know, I always go on a work and sit around. Yeah, I go up on a work and in the evening too.
Oh. So that we have a there? This?
Maybe.
Sit right
Yeah,
down.
for
Oh.
summer.
So you're looking closer than for that there.
Hmm?
So you're looking closer for that there.
No man, but I said this side, you know. And I decide my mind. No,
But I want to get this and I go look here.
I look sick out now.
Because I'm sick.
I wonder how your man get you for the sick girl now.
Girl, I just go watch a boy man do.
I'm fine, man.
You was. Eh?
Man, I walk till I sick.
Excuse you. Yes, I'm baby.
You can't ask that.
So what kind of mission you depend?
What do you mean by mission?
Kaya mo
Mama,
steady.
What
kind of mission you depend?
I'm not upon a mission.
So which part you go?
You know, I said, oh, I get one work. I go through the interview process and everything already. Get through. I just come back, but I get another work to take care of one old lady. Because they reach out to me and said they want worker. So basically I get ready. Plus my man in the bathroom my bed too. And really so come out now because I go drop me off in a square. So I can get one taxi with a little piece of old bike. I say I'm tired of no, for sure.
What like are you? I'm afraid you have appreciate where your man have want to link you go further.
You get one work still. You get one work.
Alright then. So do you have to do still because I know your man come out of the bathroom and then see me come out naked.
No, that. I'll put on to you.
So I don't understand how you walk so. Girl, you know say me and free. My man go out to go walk and I do to work. I feel like a contract my man have, you know, girl. And get a big contract. So you know so we depend the money and know we are going with yourself.
Then I contract my man get to, but you know, it's 2 hours for work. I'm not gonna slow everything. And plus me is a type of person I like have my own money. Cause at the end of the day, if a boy move, I not drop. I just some mistake.
So wait, look here, if you move, we not drop. If money you give me, make sure so me save up that. Plus tax.
But you might eventually tell us, say, you know, some of my money you save up, no boy can't tell me like I say go and work for mine. So well, if you
you're not fair everything like that, baby love. You're not fair do it like that.
I mean no way, no take it personal.
Okay. I'll let you first.
Well, my day I want go up on the road, you know.
Alright then.
I know I'm not do so long. But me I'll get myself ready.
Me I can't go because after I have to start steaks and stuff over there to eat. So look yourself.
Alright.
Look more.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll go right now, come and can't wait for you.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Where did the runner? Where the runner so?
I shortcut me that it.
Shortcut go away.
You know see I work me, but I never tell you already.
Baby love, tell the other shoot no shortcut not around here so.
Well, I shortcut because basically somebody I go drop me off for work.
So shoe bush you go walk?
So what you are doing yourself?
Girl, and my cousin live around here so that's the reason I'm around here. My cousin. So as me I say before no shortcut no there unless you go chat through bush.
You see me I go through in a bush?
Then how you go then?
Me I basically make somebody drop me on my work.
So who they run for shop at your workplace? My cousin? Eh?
Don't worry about that.
I won't worry about that later, bye.
Push the door open. I've been expecting you. You see up on the camera, man, so you can come in. What go on?
Nothing.
Look a bit late, you know, but anyway, it's something for me. Lock the door, man. You nobody now follow you?
No, I'm see one of my friend them can do it, but let him share follow me.
Come listen now. I don't want to say you know. The man a bad man, the man of God.
No?
Alright. Want some? Let that boy up. I'm going to ask them for nothing them tell you they want things. Like when you want money you pay.
Where you gonna eat? So me go sit down and watch you suck up now.
We can't go out from America. From down someone.
Can't dance.
And talk to me.
I think I go. If you want entertainment, you find taboo.
Okay, mask the yard, mask the leg bite up so. The man a dog, the man a bite the leg.
Right here? No?
I mask the mark them there?
Yeah, then what else you could have been? Well, I don't know. I just mosquito from when I go down on my workplace. I don't know what happened to that mosquito then. And my bite me up. But me have pretty skin still, so them they soon vanish. So you can't put that somewhere else.
I put somewhere else and deal your case.
Just hurry up. Come in this whole day.
Okay. The place now let's talk about help out, you can't help clean up the place. She quit.
But that quit too.
I don't know why she quit.
I must look here that look her.
No man. One of my cousin now, I am money more than me. Driver, married to her too, so she quit the job. So girl when you see police that then go on. No, me now make nobody see you. Then you see them thing with them no matter they are. More you poor and paparazing.
You want me poor and paparazzi?
That means some artists can have your company. What do you think to the politician around the country? They keep us poor and suffering. So, we are the only truth. They tell you the truth. Come on, that sheep will enjoy himself though. Come. I don't want to enjoy more than me, you know. Can you see you want to come?
Make sure you're coming at like less than 5 minutes. Come on.
Now your boyfriend is at the same thing, darling.
No, it take like 2 hours or so. You have to be different. You have like 3 minutes.
3 hours.
3 minutes. Come on, for me.
I feel like a girl lawyer big.
What?
Nothing. Say, Num say the world is a big man. The world is big.
Man, where you see?
I'm gonna say the world is big.
Which word they are talk about?
Num says that, oh baby, it's a wide world.
So how that come up?
No, the song comes to my head.
So give me my pin, man.
No, listen to me. The pay go come for you. You know, listen to me say to you.
But I want my money in cash and I want it now.
We never have an agreement there now. But I'm going to chip your pay. I'm going to put it for your invoice. How money you want to know?
Yeah.
You're broke?
That not really matter. My work fee, so give me.
But calm down, man. Calm see. Tomorrow, when I come tomorrow, I'm going to go to bank. I'm going to think you get the money one time. But you want the money one time, so you can do something with it. When I get the money, look a bit, and me and my half. But me get the money big in a yum, some palm, you can't take it.
Anyways, me I go see if you
so
really
tomorrow, no, when we go to tomorrow, I just give you money cash. But more send half a look at into your account. Most of have the PS, more send it to you. Don't worry yourself, man. Be good for it.
make sure.
You go on with things though. Alright, go on. Come back tomorrow after work. From now on, we're not too talking in the office. We just do things right here. Alright? I think I'll come in and work tomorrow, but you're going to go to a clean place. Yeah? Alright. Let's see. Lock the door when I go out.
Oh, your pin. Come on, test now.
What happened now?
It picked
You
me
know,
up.
money last week, man. What happened?
That last week and this week, no. Me I hear say you will get big contract now, you know. Let me tell you something. You see, if me can get my pitney maintenance, you got prison. Me I send
What you
police
mean,
for
man?
you. Hello, you look
Me
at
no miss one day yet. What you mean by?
you know miss one day, yes, no, but a chum change and nobody knows say you give me money. That no lag in your system. So
What you mean? What you mean by what? What you say?
you know lag in your system. Nobody knows you
So
give me.
you wicked. What you mean by no like night sister? Every day, every week you come for your girl, my daughter money.
You hello, a chum change you give me for your pitney, you get big contract now, some more big money. Plus, me so want carry me want buy for my man no so. Me want money.
Who for money you buy your man car?
Hello, my man don't need help take care of pitney, so if me want buy one little car for him, that's no problem. Plus, he
My
care about
money
help
now
the pitney.
use don't take care of no man.
Tell us something. If me not get that
If
money
that
by...
we don't say supposed to contribute one look at something to mine.
3:41 now, if me not get the money by 5 o'clock, police are come knock on the door. Remember me tell her that. You hear
No
me?
police can knock down my door.
Just let me get me paid
Because
money,
me I tell her say me pay me no miss one day. I make you wicked so. You can't
Hold
just
on
let me
there.
show you we done, you know. Me no want you again.
The judge knows say you give me money.
What do you mean by judgment?
You know,
buy-
you give
you
me
know-
a system.
So when me give money if you go and serve, go tell the judge say me give the money. Where you go?
Like the money you take by KFC and pizza.
You see you? Me nah make
Just make me get the money.
Me nah give you no money.
Just
Me nah give you no money.
remember me tell the police are coming and
No police can come
You get locked up by a man, you
miss
spend-
one day. Me pay
you go
everything.
spend the night in a jail and they say I go realize say you have to give me my pitney maintenance. You hear?
Me a
Just
tell-
since you have big chat too, I
A good thing you
200,000
know,
more
come
a week,
see me
every
woman,
week
no.
more. Who's woman?
Come
Busy boy,
woman,
woman.
just not too long left. I 2 work my woman I do a day. What make you can do 2 work?
Hello. Me not busy boy,
Then
you
I
want
bought
your
woman
woman.
bed, you know. And I said me I can woman go to work and she said she can't wait and she gone.
Sounds
And
good,
them
then,
kind
right,
of
man,
woman
go
them
get
want. You are the wrong woman we go breed. Cause I see I know you want. Yeah, say me I give you the money and now she here me I get the contract. You want money
Yes,
out of
so
money.
since I get
It
the
not go work so.
200,000 a week
It
that me
nah
can buy
go
the car
work.
by a month. Make me get my money or else.
It nah
I mean
go
not
work.
ask, I tell you. I don't ask me, I ask
Listen,
you.
no. Nah, work. Now
Alright.
you done. Only thing me I talk right now because of my daughter. It's just to see it my daughter.
Yeah.
Me I exchange conversation.
You know what I'm
Remember
saying?
that?
I mean, I know, me fool now, me dey go lay down there for.
Me no know.
Me fool you.
Me no know.
Me
I told me there buy a beer, a bar, make you come and me enter the end of the.
Yeah, junk, me the junk, man. I got that junk, I junk.
You're
I have
the
junk,
junk,
me the
you
junk.
nice, you sweet,
I
and
have
you
the junk,
come
me the
back
junk.
again. You come back
Hello,
again
me
and the
never
day
find out
before.
long talking with them. Me just know, say me nah ask her for the money. I tell you, say
Me
me
there
want.
up on the road, but me
I
not
want
bother.
it.
Go on, come,
Right.
leave her. Come here. Go on. Come me no know. You see a woman wicked, man.
Yes, baby.
You see a woman wicked. Just because me I get a contract, you know, you want to come take what milk money.
Why? Not even cook, you not cook. I'm go out and me a work or something. And you not even cook. I mean, I talk to you and you come like you me I talk to. All me go up on the road every day and try to hustle our money. You can't get up and you can't cook. You sleep. As you wake up a morning time, you wake up all 12 o'clock. And then when you bed or something, you gone back and sleep again. See it there? 3:19 and you still asleep. I ain't plan to put pot on fire. You understand that? Yeah. Are you may talk to you? You know, get up and get something to eat.
More sleep, but you sleep.
But you want me go out there and go work your money though, though? And carry come here.
No man,
You know, understand that you have to do child look at work to help me, you know. Me alone can't pay bills, you know.
Look
Me have a
here.
youth for mine, you know.
Look here. Me asleep when me wake up, we have this conversation.
But me hungry. You should have get up and at least. You know, give me breakfast. You should have dinner on the fire already.
You're hungry and me hungry, so you equal.
But things in the house, you're going like me not buy things.
Well, crackers in the fridge go how much?
Already me look for you and me give you $12,000. And me say, look here, buy some grocery for the baby. And you buy snacks, you buy last. So then now me see you buy and everything you buy the money. You do here already too? With the 12,000 what me give you for the baby.
With that.
But me da go give
how you feel me head though?
But me da go give you different money for the baby. So how you me give you the baby money and you spend it on the year?
Sorry, but you don't spend already.
Me don't like that style of man.
Hello, me asleep and I want to lay in my ear so it makes sense. So come out when I wake up, we have this conversation. So please come out of my face. If I go look about something, I look about something. If I go eat the crackers in the fridge, I eat the crackers in the fridge.
Me want to start trying to get a contract. Me want nice street to try to get a contract. And they have sleep.
Oh, good for you. When I get the contract, if I get through the contract, I just link me and tell you how you go.
Link and tell you where you go. That's all you're good for. Not even 6 and I want me. You just want to lay down and cock up in my bed, so. As man start and walk it 2 times, so. Not even 5 minutes good. I'm tired. Mom, sleep.
Yeah, come on,
If I need to see baby sleep more. Yo, I look for me one thing, man. I'm good.
So now that I go on, go leave me alone. Me get nice food bridge show when they come and disturb me, please. Excuse me, man.
I look for me one thing, yeah?
Then that you don't leave me alone. I look here, when you look about something, look about as much because I need something to calm me hungry.
I don't look about nothing for you.
You hungry and
When you don't look about it, I just go bed and sleep. So when you wake up, you look about it. I say you rotate.
Maybe me never want baby snacks, remember? Baby a snacks, but we shall eat it.
You don't plan to get up?
Yes, I get up already, but just yell at me.
No, sir. You get up and you know, open your window, right? Make look a cool
You know,
breeze
so we
come
can't take your argument them every day, we can't manage with it. We cannot take
Hold on, listen. Right now, I'm kind of late. I'm telling my brother, so I'm going to check him 5:40. Alright, now at 6:01. I get a work. So, I go deal with it. Because my brother get a big work and I give me a piece of work.
What kind of work?
My brother, when do you have a trade, man? You get a big work and you give me a piece of work, move around some things. I work me up on some kind of list. You get from wake up enough, because I'm not even see some drop asleep. That's some oversleep maybe. Because I wake up 5:30. I'm going to go and touch you and say, wake up. I think you're at least alright. You look like a half hour work, Mago. You're not even go in the kitchen and boil water and put sugar in it, put it on a tea bag and say, sit on tea, belt sound gas. Not even that you know.
So you could do it for me also, and me could do it for you.
I work me I go. If you not, you know, say, me have to start, make you do work.
Do which work?
Because if me give you a simple work for you do, get up in the morning. Because you're not working. So if you give you a work for do, you get up, make tea. And maybe me can come back for breakfast and you give me breakfast. And then, in the evening now, I come for lunch. So I treat something that I do feed you. You go have more time between that. Then in the night, if more like a front, you give me so that 4 something that.
It makes
you
sense.
don't do nothing.
Come out of my face. Cause if
I'll argue with you.
If I let you talk to me about it, come out of my
I don't really shop up with money this morning, but I know I'm bridging if I have to buy more cup soup or a porridge.
So you don't have any money with me?
I don't have any money and I'm not left in anything with
You have money, we know your money.
Check my pockets.
Either in your pocket.
Yeah, I know, I located. Ramp with my son money here, you know.
Son money?
Ramp with my son money.
You mean for me and your son money?
Hello, the money we in Nigeria. That the money there. I have to buy in school shoes.
Hello, and I get
Because
shoes.
Hello, listen up. Me see me doing shoes. I mean, I know if I ball in my play at school, I'm a kick and it a lift up. But me go carry, go buy one weekend. So
by a weekend we have more money.
$9,000 in the jar and that can buy shoes. So I go on a work and come back and put
I don't completely mean.
Hello? No shoes are there for $9,000.
They had 3 grand shoes can't fit him.
No, listen. They have a saying say, father can boast your son poor. You understand? So all in the poor, my son have to boast it. Go on earth.
You know, go my business. Coming out and let you home.
Go lock up the door. I know I'm going to go there.
Maybe
I'm
call
going to
it
live
food
free.
shop. Go on my business, yeah, enjoy. Take this thing back. Oh, you are going, girl?
Wagwan.
Then you're going to take it easy. I feel tired.
Hey man, can't sleep so late.
What do you mean by?
My man wake up from after 5 this morning. I hear man did must call him just not too long. I say him oversleep or something.
Oh, yeah, because here's my conversation. Do I even tell you?
But I forgot me years. Never know what we might talk to and what they must say. You know what I do.
Oh,
Yeah.
so yeah, we do differently.
Me I get ready. Me I
For the
got
what?
for before me, but me I get ready. Forgot work.
Oh, yeah, go up. Alright.
I make a say so.
No, but it's an accept for the go work. What time did the go work? What time?
Not that time, yeah.
Then,
My soul left phone. You know, see me ear me a brush short.
alright then.
Hello? Yes, this is Trina. Yeah. Who? My man get locked up, how comes? Yeah. Okay, I'll be down there soon. Light bill, ID and tearing for bail and stuff. Alright. My man get locked up in a garage. So
For what reason?
when me go, me no know them say I'ma come down at the station.
When I come down at the station, me hear there's something up in the maintenance. That me hear, come in there, cut the ears.
Too I'm busy. Girl, me can't start right now. Leave all grab nothing. My soul come.
Me I can go on there, like, give me away there, give me away. Give me away.
TV place you know and sweep out the backside. The breeze a blow it them and a hit you. Can't living at this no more longer than you. Like them life I know. You can't get work and then you come home and a clean.
Oh! Be frightened! Cause anybody come over here, me not see I'm woman here the day.
Yeah, come over. What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by? Look here, your friend just get locked up. Me just a confirm with your friend, baby mother, not baby mother, your friend woman yard, and she get a call to come down a station because her friend get locked up because you not pay the maintenance.
Why do you get locked up?
You mean by if you get locked up?
Backside.
Backside.
So that's why I wait on my bike stand and I can't see my forward.
He get locked up. She just gone on the gun bail. So what you have to
So that
say?
the man never get locked up and let the man there mining picnic.
Oh, you know about if my mind Pitney or not? Yeah, what?
Tell me and tell us my mining picnic.
Yeah, look here, you might tell us my mind Pitney or not mind Pitney.
Stop talking about people.
Are you be talk about people and talk about yourself?
No, who spend the most pa son? Who spend the most?
Now you if you spend the most because you are the man and you pay and you are the breadwinner. And you if you go out there and work and bring in money for me and the Pitney.
Or those who ever buy more chips set.
Or chips.
You never buy him nothing yet.
Me
Everything
think
I'm buying.
one time, me dig up on the
One
road.
time they go on the
I'm gonna
road.
use your
They
money and buy
just
my
damn
laptop.
lazy and workless and people cook you now and cook.
No,
They
no,
just
no, with that.
workless. Look for the place. breeze a blowing
Me
and a
can't get my hand
and you
them too
can't
dirty.
sweep off it.
Me can't get hand them too dirty, sorry.
If me name come from, if me name come back early, the place after the place that can hold day, and you're there all you want to cock up and skin up and go up on TikTok live and entertain people and want entertain a yard.
So why you can't hire a maid or something?
I wish me and I there. You
So where a maid take me for?
So we are there then.
When me there,
If you don't want to contribute to nothing, you already now walk and you don't want to walk in a yard. You're too lazy.
Me don't care what you want to say no. Me no business when you want to say I want to say me I get the money from me and
Every time you get me feel, brother, I just get me upset, you.
You get upset, sorry about that.
You too, don't touch me, brother. You're too lazy, you.
Lazy is my method.
Not even your one clothes and I want to wash, I mean, if you pay for laundry for deal with it.
No,
So be a lazy man, if you change your dirty ways, then man, not even your head and I want to wash. You want money if you go here just to wash your head.
Yeah.
And then life they want to live.
Me no you talk and me no let you hear me.
Only thing you left to tell me now if you taste man if you come bathe you. You to walk cliff
A
man.
lavish lifestyle.
When you lavish lifestyle.
Lavish.
No me go there, no worry yourself.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Me nah cuss about mine and my pitney because of me, no.
Well, you have to mind me too, cause I don't want me to pick me up in the first place. If I don't want me,
you soon stop living here.
You soon stop living.
All that life
That
the
will
way I
never
live,
stop.
you soon stop.
That will never stop.
The funny way.
Judgment
You
is on
see
the way.
how then come pick up my friends with pitney maintenance. Look your way.
Look my
Maybe
way.
you then pick up next year.
Nobody can beat the maintenance, sir. They have love. Boy, let's slam the cup of your fair bullfrog.
Yeah.
You know what say? I no thank you yesterday for what you do because my baby mother really mess up. You know say all along me and give her money. She not allergy.
So
She just take it and go spend the money. All whole heap of money them me I
It
give
come
her.
like say you in a sense. Because my focus on listen to me. You know your baby mother still. You do not give her no money. You buy the things them for your child. If your penny want pampers, you buy the pampers. Want the feeding, you buy the feeder and you give her them. So you see when you get the money, so she take it and do what she feel like. And good I tell life and you say you not do nothing for the people.
How that she do?
So you could have said, babes, you know some more you run go down at the town go buy a couple things for my daughter. But I know how you even talk to me about them something there. And you make me a fear run up and down and I go yes I go this I go to JP for go try bail you and all of that. You know how much things you have to go through when I come down there?
Yeah, I tell you some sorry. I'm sorry to put her through all of that something there. Right now we have bills, too much bills to pay and our courts bill to pay for your bed and now we can't pay for your bed.
So where you really are going to do? Where you really are going to do? What do people them say down there?
Them some to start, just lodge the money and make sure take your by card. So this from this so we have a bank statement which shows say the money she get money.
She knows say I work.
Yeah, that's why she coming and know who tell her so me get contract.
And that's why she find the yard, you know, because she hear say maybe I get one big piece of money. But I know what kind of woman that you really got to up and breed. Sometimes one man for do better, you know.
Yeah, me will do this thing. I'll go by the beach, clear me and come back, yeah?
Alright. Now, but I stay
When I
over
see me
here.
come back, let's take care of the place.
What you mean by?
No, I mean, I will
No,
come back
no.
late.
Oh, I think you mean like you not come back for the night.
No, sir. I just mean I can come back late and let you lock up the window.
So you will come back late for and just be chago.
I just have to clear my head. No. Just have to clear my head.
I'm cook something for you?
No, man, I'm good, man. I'm come
You
back
sure?
and go on. Yeah, man. I'm soon come, yeah?
Be careful, alright.
Alright.
All going on now.
Yeah, man.
Wait till me go and check your car now.
So right now, I bought me away from father, but I tell you in real life right now. I reach a stage in my life where I just want to run right now. you see.
Runway. What you talk about?
Okay, man, me I look for go right now. I bought me away from I run, so me just I tell you, so you gonna see me, me I go.
You run up and work and come back.
No, me not come back, daddy. Me
So where you go to then?
Daddy, me reach a stage in my life where I can't take the pressure no more. My baby mother dey on my case, my woman dey on my case, bills dey on my case. The amount of things me have to deal with, and me not have no money.
Yo, listen to me, I said, man.
Yeah,
You
no,
see,
me I run with
I watch you
that.
know. Yeah, I'm a G. I'm not the one nothing bad happen to you or nobody attack nothing bad boy. You can't run with youth. If you run with you know who go take care of your picnic, baby mother go to go call our CDA upon your name something.
So
And
me
police
get
come
locked
and
up
pull it
police.
you and take care of your picnic.
Daddy,
Right now, should have me have the opportunity you have. Cause watch you know. You know, so me I do one little labor work, but me not get my certificate still, you know. You know, I think the next 2 months to get
if
it.
you
I
put
shoulda
a foot in my shoes, daddy, me I tell you, pressure with the part where I go lick your mother out.
Which pressure?
You wouldn't have time for things so you run me like
No,
that right now.
you me have a
Yeah,
woman in
man.
a yard right now and he not walk. No pressure no little. You see me? No pressure at all. Me I tell you me can't do it. I should have me have the opportunity to come out
Say,
that be good.
if you put a foot in my shoes, you can't do it.
Yo, you're a trade man in a youth. Cause you're a big old carpenter, you done lock down for your work already. Look how much call me see you get. If you go build house and you collect 500,000, 600,000. And me, we are look a common labor, but those are learn the trade. Then when them call me, then give me a $3,000, 4,000. I have to take it because I can't do nothing. Because I don't reach
So
your
if
level
you
yet.
say me I make money to me, I collect how much 100,000?
What you mean? Because that little money they want me I get the 3 grand they can't feed mama in a yard and he not work. And
As
you
me
collect
get
100
that, then the
and
money
500
gone
and
in
300.
bills, grocery, all kind of something, doctor bill. Remember, say me I pay something for my daughter. You know?
But what I don't understand, you know, so if you ask a question though, me say you get locked up at the day for picnic maintenance. What go on?
Daddy, you see me I tell you, you don't understand. Me I give my baby mother money. But she choose, she not register it. You not register, she does a camera, we just a care guy. But she say, come on, I bank man and dry money and give me. So you not register, so she came back a quarter of the day. And me have to give her more money, me have it, so me just spend the time.
But what you know? You have to just stand up as a man, stand up on your 2 foot them and walk you out. You can't make sake of that you shake and you want to run and you want to run away. None of that you would. Stand up on your 2 foot them. I say we a man in a youth. We no girl pick me in.
See, me will take a foolish advice, you know. But me I tell you, say, one day you're going in my shoes. And I know, say, the right thing and have to run, but some of the time when you have to run, it's good. But I know I'm the right thing still. You understand? But me I tell you, say, one day you're going in my shoes. Remember, here? How you do a beach, though?
I'm just going to take a little swim, you see me?
Trina? Yeah, David.
There.
So, go for your friend, man, you know.
Alright, I'm gonna take a walk myself to clear your mind.
But, Max, a question. How you get them breed of money to be a year, man?
You remember?
How you get them the breed of money to be a year, man? Because I know the job where you do cannot pay so much because the job where you do not pay so much money. Make it clear.
So, yeah, watch me now.
Okay, it's not watch, but I know so the job where you do not pay that as much money for you get life to be a year man out of jail. So I have to go on.
Well. You're kind of suspect something, so maybe just tell you. Okay, so, you know, so when you see me, yeah, I'll cross over, so. Basically, I go to my second hand boss. I'm not really my boss, you know, but you know, a second hand boss. Me and him in a little dealings, which in I get extra money. We get extra money
Girl,
Triple time the money or more fine, we give me money. So I
me don't care how much money you get, but you need to stop with it because you're hurting, man. It don't make no sense to cheat pay, man.
Oh, me hurting me now, no one plus thing. We
Yeah,
never get money for billing. Suppose me never do that. Well,
No.
okay, would I go?
At least you do it. I make you get bill, but no, if you stop it, no, full time if you stop that. A good man have my child make you up for you and him. You got to go work and make it alright. You see me?
Well, me not do not bad enough, but
You do something bad, pass bad. Me and your friend, I'm tell you the truth, and if you call the pastor and say now come back to work, call him and tell him say not coming back. And further, and next thing, me have somebody deal with over my yard and on the road to that. So we can't over here and sorry. So call the boss and tell him say you're not coming back to work because
if I call my boss and tell him that.
call him and tell him.
So when me do that, no, when me ever get money, my
You are working. You are working. Save your money. You're the work.
yeah, but him do that too. Oh, that I go work, when me I go work every morning go see him.
Trina, you need to stop. Quit the work. Quit the job.
Alright, me quit it. Me call him and
Call the boss and say I quit the job. So, me I come go on business right now because I can't tire so later.
alright.
And make sure say you do it and me not laugh with them, I swear. Make sure.
Me do it.
Make
Alright,
sure.
later.
I can't tell you say you go late because I'm tired wait for you know. Set up you, I'm not the right place. Come in my bed and wait for you. What? More get more money than that. Don't tell me no overthink, man. Me not take that, you know. Before someone start turn up your yard and stake out your yard and know when the man that did it, someone come to when the man that did it. I will bribe you. Who that in my background? Who will bribe you? Now listen to them. Tomorrow come out with me and talk about it, man. Alright. You quit the job too? No quit the job, mama, you go get... Alright, do what you do. Me I will talk when I see you. Because you go see me shortly. Alright.
Where to get somebody in a very good place.
No, sir, my man, cousin say my game, man.
Oh. Why? Right now, I'm happy you.
Oh.
I'm there now. You feel stressed about everything.
Yeah, bro.
Right now, all day, I talk over beach, man. You tell me, I tell you, turn up, here. Okay, now, turn up. You have to turn up like a man, you would. Strong. Brother, right? Stand up, man. That. When you sit down, man, you with your mind all over the place. Stand up on your foot.
You can't say that if
Listen
you're
me,
in my shoes right now.
right now, me get my survey ticket. That before I tell the dog, happy man, you tell the pay 2 foot them, man. Happy man, you get my survey ticket. And if you said that one, me get my survey ticket.
Oh.
One virgin can link me, I say, yo, you know say more I deal with one common laborer. I say, but dog, I done there what they are now, you know. Me a real trade man now. And he say, alright then. And a woman a come down from a foreigner and want to build a 1 room for me. You see me, so I ask her, how much charge? Sometimes I show
When
them
you
back
get
on the
contract?
price. Yeah, man. I can give a piece of food to him.
Man, 600.
600,000. I know you're there on your face and all, man. So if anything, you can give 100 out, right? Yeah, man. So right now, me have a survey ticket. Nobody can call me for no little 3,000 worker now. Me like, come on, labourer. A real shade, man.
There's a quote so too long, calm.
Coats, what do I say?
The fridge and the TV and the bed that you meant to sit
You borrow alone?
Mount to sit
Oh.
me take out the quotes
That's why I use them if you have money in a case. So right now, if I don't have money, as a rebate, I say, alright. Your money help yourself, but the right thing on forward, man. Yo, me happy you. I tell you, yo, me tell you so that day, I want to be like Canada, I can see that. No, me a rich man. Yo,
I know you are going to see what me are going to. Because bills are coming up on your man and
yo,
need things are
if you say 600,000, I'm going to bust up on 100. I have 500,000 left back. I'm going to go some boomer now. So for instance, I'm going to pay my rent out right. So you know, so that I want 40. You see me, then I have to pay a supermarket bill. You see me, so I have to go get 20,000 worth of goods in my yard. You understand that? That's 60. Right? Then I have to get my data goods them now. So I have my money with chocolate. I spend on the next 100,000. Because you know, so my have to check my mother. So mommy, buy a beer and sit now. You see me, so I have 400,000. I'm doing safe. Yes, but always say things can't fall up. But yo, me happy with that. Yo, you bring me in a business thing, yo, me have respect in you. Yo, me have respect in you. Me know you're not stressed out, you know. Yeah, me G, me know say you kind of stress now about just going hold the field. A better days here. Yeah. Better days, my friend. You say 6 months to charge him.
Yeah, man.
Alright, me I'll call him and make you get a food outside. You see me? So that's why I go to yourself, you know.
I don't see I heard it, man.
Yo, listen to me, I say, nobody go overload your brain.
No,
try to do nothing and hurt yourself. And
no,
come in and get no call, say you drop out and nothing, and you rage in you.
Yeah, man.
You get what I say? So what me? I don't know the work.
No, sir, man. If you get a work, you give me a work. There.
Alright, anyway, go. Are you bring me in a business and my friend? I have respect in you. Yeah. I don't know if you have me hype, but I just happy me happy right now. Cause that me I tell you, happy me happy you. Believe. I don't feel like we tell the whole world, but you have to show people. I hypocrite and everything. Hurt me not telling nobody. Yeah, alone me tell. Yeah, man, I get the service ticket, man. Yo, look over there.
Alright, let's hear it.
Alright, look over here.
Yeah.
Alright, we tell you.
See? What that?
Right now, do you know how to explain this to your dad?
See me tell a man you what to you?
But you know, if I start making how much money you would, I'm a woman here, so much money me and make dog. It come like that, get to him brain, brother. She just go down a cold so she take come out and something, brother. We have bed already in our house, brother. And she gonna put one more bed in there. We have Chester jar already, brother. And she gone for Jessa. We have fridge already. And then gone for one more tell me saying mother, I'm gonna give fridge, brother. Who like bills them pile up on me now?
You take out fridge, my your name for your mother.
Me tell you, brother, right now, let them call me now, brother. You go borrow a loan down a torpedo and yo.
So how you make that happen?
Brother, right now, my picture down there on bomba wall, you know.
You see me tell you, see now you're in my shoes. You see one with pressure. You're in my shoes now.
Brother, every time I just go and do like a common labor.
That's why I'm telling you.
When you do them, they would see money and get. Yo.
You see that's why I'm telling you.
You still have a link with the more business there. Brother, I'm serious right now.
You want to run with?
Brother, me picture them on the wall. Down there, down a torpedo. Can borrow some loan. Him borrow loan. Him buy fridge. You understand? If you raise something them, daddy, me say I take you out of course. So me picture down there on the wall. Brother, I want to left the place. What me go do? I can't pay off of them. Yeah.
You see? Tell us if you're in my shoes in you. And you come like, yo, then time doing it. Yo, that time just the one. And you turn my mind for not going. Come here, we plan everything set out already.
Yo, you have the link.
No, when
You have the link. You have the link. You have the link. You have the link. That's something that you have the link.
Me have a link, same
Come,
way.
brother. Man, run the front. So, brother, come in.
You're serious.
Serious, you know that.
When we go in there, there's no turning back, yo.
Brother, I say I want to run away. When I go pay so much bills, I not have that even $10. Eh?
Alright, me not even going there so for no clothes.
Me not tell nobody nothing, me no business.
You sure? Are you baby
Brother,
and
even my money when me put on in the house and I save.
She gone already.
Me put on 300,000 and me can't find it. Can you tell me send me a work, me for work and mind me out and save you out? Brother, from me start get some money.
Yo.
You believe me so me no buy no new clothes for myself because me no want nobody pre so me make money out.
Because I that me there sir.
Me no buy a movement for myself and walk me walking.
Me there sir, I sit down and I think boy in a car. Right now, me no give my baby mother no money last week and me know say she a come want lock me up again. So you better me just go with them. Yeah man, come on.
Come on, and talk. Come on, man.
Babes! I wonder. Yung bag na there. With everything there for you. Sorry, I realize. Okay, see if we can go find him. Come on, one bit of it. Break me up! Oh,
Yeah.
it's my boyfriend.
What we come from and say boyfriend? We can't let him
But that's how one day if him up here and I say your man and my man are two good friends. So I don't know if him come look.
Them a good friend. Me no see a man and me no see my man.
What I mean by that is your man and my man.
If me tell us me no see my as a woman.
Maybe your man that's summer born soon come. But me I wonder, you know me I think. When if I tell my man say me I be born and him all go left me.
Girl, where you take me for? Where you take me for? You feel say me and someone love use my mouth? You tell me something, right? You feel say me I'm a walk and carry your name all over the place? Eh?
First of all, first thing first, from me take for you say, oh, black him or call him and tell him say, it do. Me don't know any intention if you go goodly, go tell my man and
Girl!
she don't want black him or whatsoever.
Girl, me not
So-
see a man. Me not tell a man nothing. Someone need to come and call up my name, I hear? That me I try to tell her, come up. Come out and me.
And if you see me I say reach the end of the movie, if you never go over to Empress and Naya Vivo channel, go over the right now and click a link in the description, and link will go there in the community section as well. So I want to go over there and run up a new song I mean, name Baby featuring Street Jenna. Alright? So I'm gonna go over there and do that, and remember share the movie to the fullest and comment on the think about the movie, alright? Remember the movie, you don't fully understand it. This movie is like when say me I got through struggle, right? And you now go through the struggle. But me I tell you say me can't take the pressure no more. You would understand say, yo, daddy, we are talk about money, you have a trade, you don't need to worry about nothing. But if you put yourself in my shoes, you would know what me I talk about. You understand? Because my time some people out there them I go through some real sticky situation where them can't take the pressure no more. And a friend might be out there and say, I don't want to she have education. If me have education, mother could do certain things and really. But if them they go in at that person's shoes, them would do something worse. You understand? So my time I have to just understand. If a friend or a family member say they can't take certain things, just find a solution or just to help them. Don't bother say if you didn't your shoes, mother do better. You understand? Don't say that, because sometimes if you didn't have them shoes, you probably have, you don't know what you would do. You would do worse than them or whatsoever. So if anybody out there where go through hard times and them come and more advice, just give them the right advice, right? So remember to like, share and subscribe. So that's the moral of the story. If you fully understand. If you don't understand it, watch it again and don't get a full understanding, but when I try explain to the world. Alright? Blessings. Welcome back to Toga TV. You understand? So this movie is Why Hiding the Truth. So at the end of the movie, I can assure you will understand the moral of this story. So I want to do like, share and subscribe. Mostly share. I want to share the video to everybody. Please, me I beg you. You understand? When you share, the algorithm work with the video, so YouTube recommending more to more people as well. Alright, so drop a comment as well. Tell me what you think on the movie. And remember, if you want to donate anything towards the movement, the number is on the screen, so you can always do that. And in the description, the number is always in the description. So even if you don't see it on the screen, it's in the description. So thank you for everyone. Thank you all for watching and just enjoy the movie, alright?
Brother. I had to sleep. I sure you rain, I can't sleep so much. I wear breathe. Can't sleep, so me and my husband here.
No bring nobody.
Get up, my brother, something important. So, you know, your sister want borrow loan. But them say me have a reference, which in.
You want borrow loan to do now?
To make a house.
I'm going to go, that's already. I'm there.
One house not enough. That can't too much for the you know, man. Can't even rent it out or something. As me
say, where want me? Remember, so me can't.
Them want a reference. So, they give me the documents here and more. You sign it.
What do you mean by sign? What does write something?
You go sign your signature.
What that?
The letter where your first name start with and then your last name.
No, what letter is that with?
Where your name, brother?
I don't remember.
Listen
Sister,
to me. Me can't even. Alright, me can't help you sign it. Just get the pen and come sign it.
I'm not just saying, you know, what do you mean by you just want me to sign it, so you know, so me can't read that you can't this to come
What
to
you
sign.
mean by you not trust them something, man? Me not do nothing to you, just reference. What me that really? What
you want me supposed to sign in my life or something? I mean, I don't know, so me can't read.
You want to call your friend them?
You want me to call my friend? Call my friend supposed to carry.
Come here till I say this legit.
My friend supposed to can't read.
So you not trust your sister? Mine, you know? Cause me would have trust her and I'm not have to read nothing.
Hello? No, me can't. Yeah, what going?
What boy?
You know, some day I'm asleep and my sister come to me and say she want me to sign some paper. True, me can't read. Me not too trust it. Cause me not want to write on the paper and me don't know what.
No worry, everyone.
Subject though.
You mean 13 me get and then give me one more pan to make 14?
In 13 subjects.
So make him come then, make him come and look on the camera. Really need it for sign today.
Alright, boy, you come over my yard. Come look on them paper. When?
Right now?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a second then.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
You can go and when you come, and say everything good, making sure me what you write.
I want it back today, no, bro.
When it's done, me call you. One, yeah.
Alright, put it in this. Put it in.
Yeah. Wait now. We can't look on this them. Wait man.
So you want to look on it, you don't want to sign.
Me just a look. Me not saying anything.
Yeah, look, you don't know where you look on.
Me just a look on in the them also.
More you call me back or you text me and tell me.
Alright.
Make sure you hurry up and come because I really need you. Alright.
Yeah.
That's how you can get try some food there. Where's that man? And then this. Yeah, wake up now.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
I simple thing this man to read out. Wow.
Me sleep, man.
Yeah, man. You can't sign, man. You're good. You're good. What she say?
Everyone said, me and I eat that to them, but how this set upside down I read it.
Daddy don't worry about that, man. When we get at school, I have to come bright more. Come really upside down. What do you think we see on the teacher sometimes? Come look upside down. It's easy. I the smartest way that you study. You see, once
Upside
you can
down?
Yeah, once you can read upside it down, you're a bright somebody. You know, I know that. Sign, man. No.
It's good, you can't sign.
What do you mean? This good.
Why is the funny? Where you go?
You good.
You good?
Yeah, you good. You know.
This one no, because I don't want my sister to put me in no problem.
No, you good, man. You good. She right. She right. Yeah.
Yeah, me will be call her and tell her so. Me sign them up. Don't want to write for me.
Obviously, anything can be a name.
And those rights over there.
Just sign like signature. Oh, it says signature.
Signature.
And date and yeah. Anyway, that's so much paper she can come.
Upside down.
Don't worry about that, man. If you want to sign it upside down, you're gonna be bright. Not even. You don't want to know that.
But you?
What do you mean? Listen to daddy. Hard 13 subject me getting up. And then give me one pound and say, go on with the next one. Then say, thank you.
You're bright then at school.
Yeah, man.
I told my mother before then you never in a picture, so I never really figure.
Yeah, man, me do a thing for you when I teach them, man, and then save my life and it's me 13 subjects and one pound. Like 14, say, go on and do. So, that's...
My sister got actually bright too, because she can't paper come. She must have education.
Yeah, man, and you know, I have a sister that if I this stranger, I don't want to sign you out.
Yeah.
It's good, man.
Alright, I'm signing. When she come make the show, I have to sign for it. I'm signing.
Yeah, man. Oh.
I'm there, I feel too good, boy.
So you now get a woman and live a man?
Can't marry the woman. Last time I got a road, I spent a whole of my money.
Daddy, we teach you something like, you know, you have to have money to get woman.
They have 50,000, you know. I make girl them $100. I go buy one drinks. $100, like, but when I come back, my sister said, I never had no $100 in my money. I pay $1,000, she said. So I don't know a digit.
So you give them 1,500?
Yeah, look so. And my money done.
Me teach you something.
They tell me say $50, me and my sister say 50,000. But I think with them right and through me there drink, me this game.
Let me tell you something. You see, one time me get some money from the bank and me see $5,000 bill in it. Me make sure me tell them, you don't give me my money if me go last year road. Give me it in the hundreds and 500s. You take longer for last one. Because me last one 500, me might shed a yard water, but me might bypass it. But me, if me last a $5,000 bill, That's me. Hand on my head and I start worried.
No, man, for wait all long to get back.
No man, I sign the paper man, everything good for me man.
Alright.
I'm like the sister thing and I'll come back over here and...
Go on.
Huh?
No one talk about that.
Feel like it.
Nobody to my sister. Me
Daddy,
tell her
you can't do
that
nothing to your
nobody
sister.
to-
You can't do nothing to your sister. I don't that know.
No. None of my friend them not there with my sister.
You better your closest friend there with your sister because you know say we alright. Than a stranger take up your sister and give some cloth.
Then you go tell me say, you do my sister this last
No, that's a man talk. You know say we always talk about woman. We always sit down and talk about woman, how we spin them so how we turn them out so how we mash
Well,
up.
you know why you spin your sister so and turn him so. Go on. My sister alright. She don't want a man. My sister don't want a man. She tell me that she don't want a man. She good. She a work for money.
Let me know, me a little stupangs.
No, she independent. If I say me and my wife.
But when the day come, we want to visit.
I tell you, me
Alright.
to my sister.
Alright.
Yeah. Sister! She not come back yet, no, she still... Hello, sis. Me call my friend how long... What's the long it take to come back, man, ready?
No man, me not me the right at the door right here, so I'll come in man.
Come on, we go along your gun and my friend come along and we had chat and something.
I can't hang up the phone now. So you sign it?
No, you may wait for see all the pen and stuff.
So you never tell me say you have to sign it. You see,
My
you could
friend.
have signed it before I left you know.
No, I have to text to my friend first. My friend read upside down.
So you trust a friend more than your sister?
Yeah. I'm right, you know.
Right, your signature like the letter with
Oh,
your name
which
start with
letter?
and then write out your full name.
Me don't know what I start with.
You don't know your name?
Let's see how I make me look bad now.
Donna Van Daven. So you have to put D and then the Daven.
Z.
And
This
then,
a D. Oh, that's spelled D. How do you spell?
brother. So your name you know if you spell? Out of everything else, you don't know if you spell your name. You don't have ID, you don't have documents.
No, it's have ID.
You don't have birth certificate.
Me not have to know. Just tell me how to spell this and I'm right. You want to know? Me know we sign it. Can you make me look bad now? Me tell you me can't read already.
So we are going to tell the people them if they can call you say. Anyways, more you sign it so.
You don't tell me what to say, man?
D,
Like this, yeah?
yes. D-A-V-I-S.
Oh, that
Yeah, right.
on every page you write pan.
Right away, you have to see. How you see him? I tell you we spark no, the one you. I mean, I know we are right from that.
Oh, boy.
Come and think you don't sign all of them.
That's too much people you have, man.
You not hear all you want them people and not trust people really, you know, brother, you don't know that already. They want various of information.
I forgot. Oh, you're man. So where you get loan for?
I don't tell you already. So me
That's a loan?
Yeah. What else I get loan for?
Mm-hmm. My girl don't like buy some little expensive thing.
Well, me a cheap and clean. I do the house me I buy.
How much money I buy say give me now? Cause me I help you know. Me I go extra mile.
Yeah,
I know
me
me
get some
can't read.
money.
Hold it.
I know you that must want some.
No.
So you didn't even know that on the paper, yeah.
Me look.
Just hurry up and sign it something no time ago. And from morning you should have do this. Alright, finally. So?
You good now?
I can't believe you just your friend over your sister. Yeah, me alright. Give me this.
Me just have to verify you remember so me can't read.
Say you can't verify with me.
When me not sure enough, but my friend tell good and we are friends so from Lily.
Oh, you know if you me even bright.
Remember say me and you not growing up? Cause me in a faster woman all over the place. That's how come me meet my friend. Me and you not grow so me don't know about you. So me can't trust you. Me get things from me come here and me buy one plate, one fork and something and me I eat out of them until now.
You have to trust me because me your blood.
Well, you not working or whatever.
Anyways, me a go away. Thanks for sign it still. When we get the loan, me come check you. Okay.
See ya.
You always asleep. I want to you.
Tell me no feel good for my what am I do? So me just buy a buckle of water and done.
Say I take my pill.
Yeah, me take one.
Anyways, I urgent. Let me even come back because there's something urgent me have to tell you.
Alright,
You know,
it's
say
something
me I
I go
find
through.
out say no, not that. Me I find out say mommy them sell the house
Which
to an
house?
old man that live overseas. The house, yeah. Yeah, she sell it to an old man that live overseas. I wonder if it could ever be my
So if they sell the house, who will go?
Wait now, about that now. Him all in him saying Sue come down and I want the house right away. So me that thing say
Call you.
yeah, me talk to the person. That's why I know say mommy sell the house. So me I say now, we have to go talk to him and pay rent and think instead of we move out like how we there here so for a good while. Better we just pay rent and stay. You get what me I say?
Me work and pay rent because I don't want to say.
Yeah, cause we just get used to the place and everything. So we are gonna pay
Like
basically rent every
this
month.
nice. Me never have this when me there faster home.
But
I never have them.
but look him in now, cause I really want a sugar daddy. But some old man and him have money. Cause if I didn't buy this from him, I know.
Stop, say that.
So,
And so when me grow up, any of me grow with your cool time, so what kind of sugar daddy you want? Go work.
I'm tired
Yeah,
of work.
education.
I mean, I said you did get one
No.
sugar mommy, you know. You not say
You
so.
me did have education like a you. Me build a house already.
So I'm not been at work, brother. Me
You
been
not
at
work, go you buy a loan or whatever. A loan you buy, right?
So how me a
Oh,
pay
yeah,
back
but-
if me not work? Explain that.
If you
Me
there
just have borrow it
work,
now because me really in need of it at the time. But after that, me I take time pay them back. But me I work, brother.
me I tell you,
I work
sir, you
rich
need to have
can't give a
education like
You
you
know
got.
want a rich brother and I stop going, son. You can't even do certain things to you.
Cause of money,
Step in nice.
the only thing me want to do right now, I go back to school. And
I
learn.
can't even send
Yeah.
you back to school for training. That's why me I tell you.
You
You
true?
can't- Yeah. Remember, say I have money, you know.
So why you not give me send back to school for one time loan? No, you take. So you stay. You see now, I'm your brother. I'm
So me not done till it's at the house me I work and me I go do. Take house money and you know how much
yeah,
money.
look both if yourself, you know, look both for me and you.
You know say anyone me there are there too. And I know why you worry yourself.
Well, you never tell me that. No, me know say me I go come with just so.
And that you want your family look like you know. But as me I say that me do come
So
to
much
tell you.
man say if you rent.
Why? I know enough money, you know, but I never asked him yet. But I know a good amount of money. And you were there every day, sleep.
I'm a day off today.
Walk.
I'm a day off. I'm hardware. I get one day work at hardware, so my time I get the money. But I work permanent yet.
Well, no. You got to pay rent. Me too. Yeah. Sorry.
I know say me have to pay rent, but if you have to help me some my time, because I must have education. When I get a big work, I pay me good. And the work them do. When I go work, look at work other day, they must say, well,
want me help you with rent when you try to struggle with mine?
When you interview, that's it there.
What
They
about
want me do. I mean, I know more than sitting there.
Just go on it,
So
go
me
chat.
never-
I always say I love chat so much.
Go pan here, what?
Chat.
Me
Just
never
them
know.
just ask your question and oh yeah, read alright. Them just talk to you like when me talk to you and you just talk back, you know. And then interview.
So you never tell me if you go back, let me tell you. Oh, you never tell me that.
What?
And now you tell me.
What?
I could have get you work, security work.
So you know have your big bad friend who you trust more than me. What make him never tell you
I
that?
never remember saying I could have do that. I never remember. A big work, you doing? If you have so much subject, a big work.
How much subject interest I have?
You say you have 13 and then try and get 13, then give one for make 14.
Yeah, idea?
How a man tell me what you mean by man an idiot?
Fool.
He man have 13.
Oh, them forgive him subject and him have to do it like the rest of 13. Yeah, them forgive him free subject.
Then give him a kind bright. The man come here and read upside down.
Yeah, make people
You turn in their class
yeah, make
and
people
read
turn you in a
upside.
fool. Read it upside down.
Upside down. You can't read upside down. I mean, you're done. It's like me. You can't read upside down.
You see, you and your upside down read a friend? You know, alright. Because you not make nothing better for you. Come on, know I'm not
Then what you read the paper and make me understand everything in 5 full 100.
Anyways, I'm
Oh,
glad
yeah.
for him anyways. I'm bright for sure. Because if I never him, you would have signed it. So I'm really bright.
Yeah, I'm bright. But that they admit it. You know, like admitting the wrong to my time.
No,
but
man,
you
I'm bright. Brother,
So-
mentally, I'm really bright.
We have cook.
Boy, I don't know how basically chef up something.
Over here. Oh, person when get there, you know, and there.
Yeah, go to
I'm
my
here alone
son
now.
for the yard. Because you don't need for no one.
I guess you have cook for me and I'm here.
We will carry some food.
Are you not cook for me?
I can't take care stressing sometime. Right now, me are
Alright.
going to cook.
Me have one mackerel and one crackers there, so me just throw you out and dash you out and eat it.
Alright, are you alone in a say you can't hungry later?
Alright. Show up the grill. Oh, you there?
Hello.
Let me know why you there.
Hey, me like, I got always check your this.
Come sit down. No, you stand up and stuff. So let me introduce you. This is Sassy Mel from over Choro. She comes from. Meet her a good while now, but
Nice to meet you.
She
I'm
tell me,
Shayna's
sir.
sister.
Okay.
yeah, she's my sister. No, really matter still. She tell me say she's pregnant, so
She pregnant?
yeah, mostly that's why me asleep and sick out
So
of
she
there.
basically two smaddy in one now.
No. Also?
Brother, I look like, say, you have double money, man. Money rent.
No, what kind of double money? I mean, I rent here, anybody can stay in a room.
But I want more money this.
No. As a place rent?
I can find next place now if you have a problem.
No, me a pay rent here too. Me have talk. The room in there, so you stay right in there, right?
Alright.
You know what I mean by two somebody have pay rent.
You know, see 2 hours now? So?
So if me and my
And the amount of person in the room, all of them have to pay rent. So if a 4 different rent, if a 10 different rent, it no matter if I the same room.
oh yeah, tell me say. I saw rent go.
I saw it go,
I saw
them
it
never
go.
tell you.
Come in no.
I saw it go, I don't know nobody never tell you.
You sure so I can find a different place? Because
No,
you
you're alright.
If we pay the money, we are worried about. You know we pay it, brother.
Someone think you not get the money yet.
Yeah. When me not get him, I get to him, I not get him yet.
So you say yeah.
No, I not get him yet. Number 7, no, me have to continue with it. And then my jaw close to him and then. But we
So
are
him coming there now?
Him say 30,000 each. So 30 and 30 and the one you know 30. So you have to go find 30,000 and me myself and that because I don't want nobody in here figure add on for my bill. But since I add on for your bill, you have to go find it.
30, okay. Oh, Jaja. 30,000 for one somebody.
You mean by
You tell me 16,000
could
a
have be
day.
one bed or 2 honey in there.
It's true, me I call my friend and talk to him about this now.
Which
Cause he like can't take me fee that 30,000 for one
the
somebody.
man that did but I know you gonna manage.
30,000. Me I call my friend and we finally talk over it. Me not believe you, see you?
You not hear me tell you say. I saw
You
it
believe
about
it?
Boy, I don't know what to say, no. I know I really to get between sister and brother relationship. Is easy if she take pay rent, just pay rent.
And then I get between him no too.
Me not know what's rent here.
Me I tell you, you're slow. If you lock up in there every day, you're not gonna know why in the world and what going on. I saw it up here now.
Just be right, just pay about the argument. If I nothing, me go look at what
As some know she have one good girlfriend in her ear, she said, pay and nobody that.
Me not know about the rent. I may tell you how.
So we are trying, so you don't want to pay.
Me never say that. Me don't know about it. So me ask my friend to explain to me.
Everything you ask your friend. Friend, this
Me
friend.
I
that
go over
friend,
here
this friend, that.
and make you explain to me.
And if not would be my money, I don't know you are going to manage, you know. Okay?
Come
I'm not
on,
tired of
my
you.
friend.
I'm not tired of you. You have
What
a
am I tired?
girlfriend now, you don't need him. You have to have a friend.
Come on, sure, yes, yeah.
Nice to meet you, honey.
Alright.
At least you know, look one pretty woman. Gotta be a ugly woman, look.
Oh, one bad boy.
Where's that going?
There's a gun in my yard. I carry my girlfriend go this morning. Oh, there shit. Around set.
Let me get bone.
No box.
Let me live with no man since I can't get bone.
Can woman go over my yard? And woman I said, it's 2 away if you pay rent. And I don't pay the rent already. For the room.
So, and then your mother and father house.
She tell me say, man come, my mother and father before them pass away, then they sell the house. But they know, man come for the house and I say, he want the house and if you want to stay there, you have to pay rent. So I say, I'll stay there and pay the rent.
You don't pay rent, man. Pay rent, man. Pay rent.
No, but what I don't understand, she tell me say 2 away, I have to pay 30,000 each. I mean, I understand that.
I think your sister put 30 and you put 30.
Yeah, me not understand the part.
No man, if I 30 for the whole house and you put a 30 and 30, 40, 45. Narrow down to, it's cheap man, it's cheap. 45. You know, it's cheap.
30 and 30.
Narrow down to 45. Right, so cheap. All you have to do is work with it. You have a better chance.
But first I hear that 2 hours we are paying rent in our house.
Yeah man.
And we are sleeping in the same place.
Yes, because they're 2 different rooms and you have it furnished, supposed to man by everything there. So, worth it, man, worth it. 45,000 and nothing to complain, daddy. Me a dash your money pan ground, daddy.
Can I tell my sister, say, you know, you have 14 subjects.
Me say, me
good work, yeah.
Me do 13 and then give me 1 penny. 14. Then say, boy, you're too good. Me have to give you 1 for free. Then just give me it and dash it and then say, 14 again.
Tell me.
Yeah, man, that's so good.
I understand.
That's why it's good if you have the brains here. So when you have the brains here, so nobody can go around you. So then give you a lot.
How true?
I soon turn MP in my ear, you know.
You run?
That's why I tell you, I want your sister. Because I want to come run by my side. Because you see, once me night want to put my woman in it, because you see, Prime Minister and put female woman in it. Yeah, man, as the second leader, so if nothing even dead right now, she take over. So, I want to put your sister in a hit. So if she dead, me get all her insurance money.
Remember, so I tell her, say, I don't want to run my sister. Love my sister, you still come back and ask me about sister. Just lower, how you feel me there with your sister now?
As long as you have money, as long as you have money, it's good.
No, me not have no money.
Because
I'm money alone. That means you sell your sister then.
I don't sell, but you have to understand this. You think me want my sister take up a broke pocket, man? How when there nothing happen to me can get a help. Any man in take up if he can help me too.
So any woman you take up, if you can help your sister too. My sister can help you. She not have no money, so no look did it then. If I saw it going, she not have no money.
Who not no money? That's why me want her by my side. That she
said she a looking man for every house too. So I don't know if the man a give him a look change. That's why I'm suspicious. I'm curious about it. Because she tell me say 2 hours you have to pay 30,000. And she said she a lucky man, but she not get him yet. So I wonder if she want to take him money on his side and put in her pocket to pay her loan, because she borrow a loan.
Daddy, you can't complain about look at small money. You pay the 30 and 30 and 45,000. You just work with it. Work with it, man. It's cheap. You know how much my rent?
Me go with them because you alone me can't believe because I know say you not grow on me. You not grow on me.
You know how much my rent?
How much?
How much you this year again?
You hire for me?
Huh?
You hire for me one?
Yeah, man. 15,000 high.
15,000?
Yeah, man, high, man.
But
high, that's why I try to show you, say. Work with the 45. 30 and 30, just give her your 30.
You have money to pay that because you have a work, big work.
Right now, you see that I work with me there? Boss, I pay, boss like, in pay, minimum wage is like 15,000 a week.
Yeah?
But that still can't help. So you know, we had...
Are you rent money that?
Exactly, I know food in it, but yeah, the tricky spot right now. You see, in business, you have a loophole.
Yeah,
man. A loophole is a loophole like you have free access to the things that we can sell them.
So you sell them on the side?
What do you mean? They wear that?
You see me tell me sister, you're smart. You see, you're smart.
Me had the brain just so much. Every time he gone and left key with me.
So you can give me some of my work, me have to pay how much? How much you see again?
Yeah, 30. 30 I pay 45 in that.
45. Enough money that though?
No,
No, it's so cheap. But
pay enough, no.
15, no. But you know, forget you there. You don't know. It go rough.
I can't read.
Exactly. I don't know only that. A 2 thief did the place of good on.
No, me nah go there if you got thief. If you are thief, when I look at me say me can thief, one another look at
You see what I try to show you?
No, me nah do it.
Unless the only way you can come on board if a thief this week, a thief next week. We take the half.
TV same time. You want have money and me not have no money.
No.
Remember say me have to pay me rent.
You know use a brain here. If too much things that move one time, it's easy for them check you off. So my thief I look on knocks today, your thief I look on knocks next week. You just make sure thief a good portion we can serve.
Knocks? Snacks as well?
Yeah.
You mean knacks?
A company will sell snacks also and water and juice and it's, you know which case you have to see with the case and pack.
That means get more work over there. Cause me work over there, me can carry home my grocery a week time.
No work so.
Eh?
Last time I put one of my friend Pam work, me get fire off of that after the next work. No work so. You can't just call it.
And I get grocery a week time.
Where?
Over there.
I take it a pay if it's spending the buy grocery. You think I'm going to get free grocery? You not want to buy your lunch.
If me can't get to work, you make me get it. And you sure say, how much is 45 you say? 45,000.
Yeah man, just link me back next time. Me come over there come for your sister, you know.
Like me say don't talk about my sister out a picture. One to
You don't understand, you know daddy. Your sister are the right girl for me.
she don't have no money, you say you want a woman with money.
No man.
And your sister forget man with money.
No. Me will make she get money. All she do, she meet me at work 4:30 when the boss gone. We get 2 cases of juice to walk away with. Make it look like a buy and come buy and I go feed her warehouse.
So me a good friend and you look at my sister to give him case of juice and me there I suffer.
I'm my yard, you're making care go you crazy. We just give one wife, making give one some paper, some all receipts to me.
So we have my sister licky for 2 cases of juice. You want to sit down in your yard. You know, me I go over that me come to ask you about. If me not remember it, you tell me. Me call her and make you remind. Because me head not so good, you know that already. Alright?
Just get.
Just lower for my sister.
Alright sir. Go lower for her, me just hop on for her.
Only way still, you can work out, you know. If you are pay, me rent, and me give you. You make a talk to her. So.
Repeat again.
You have to pay my rent and make a talk to my sister.
A while ago you tell me early on say 2 separate rent. Your sister pay 30 and you have pay 30.
No,
I would
you
have.
don't understand. Me say, my girlfriend come over there and she say my girlfriend has to pay 32.
Oh, me think you say. You have a woman over there now? Me don't understand. God no. I swear me don't understand.
I don't understand what me I say. Me come over here, me say, my girlfriend, me carry her over. I know my sister say, 2 away to pay 30,000 each.
No, me understand you now. Well, you're wrong. Because once you pay the rent, your girlfriend don't need to pay the rent. Me never hear you, for real, me never hear you at first. But you think you talk about your sister. But if me I go help you pay for your rent, me have to go get a sample out of your woman each time. 4 times a month.
Daddy, my woman pregnant.
No, it don't matter, me can water your head.
No.
I can
Make it stay.
Well, let's have some little transaction and deal it. Cause I below a new gas station, but it give me hell. Me tell the people them know, so them for severe the ear up, then go put the gas on the ground. Can you understand the ground you do? Cause you don't want the blast, right?
I don't know about gas and severe and underground.
Yeah. But why are you on the topic about Honda?
Say hello for me, sir.
Like the underground business, I want to go underground.
No, I'm underground, nothing, man. But anyways, I have one house to sell in a year, right?
But I don't know why when you don't see money. Yeah, I have money.
If you have a
still.
big gas station, you must have money.
Yeah, I know some small say not coming on. But yeah, we do buy a house still. But we have to see the house first. What kind of house it is?
Oh, one big house. I'm a brother house, you know. But I use style, I'm making send it over to me. So more sell it, you know. Bear in mind that you alone know the little secret, you know. So my house now.
So how much more can look on the house though? You have to look on the house and what price you look for the house?
Maybe 6.8 mil.
Alright, so where the house located?
Not too far from me, so just one taxi.
You know, so I don't drive in taxi though. I own a couple of vaccines.
But that's a talk about myself because of taxi.
You know, so actually you love foreigners.
You know, I said me I talk long time, I could ever say, alright, well I'm paying the money, you go buy yourself a car, but you see you?
But you're not giving me the car style.
Rich people always
see, no, girl, tell you, the rich man, we have finance. God, I've been there before now. I've buy a lot of girls, a lot of vehicles, a lot of house, and a lot of things. When I buy the house for you now, man, this girl more give me a set. You're not putting in the work. You're not doing the things them what you have to do. When you come, you give me the dry style. You know, you see when.
So what you want me to boom flat go up on my lash or wheel on my tongue?
You see, you want to do some style, make me have to say.
Me not in that.
Money there.
What you want me to do?
Yeah, give me the dead style. And you enjoy yourself more than me most of the time. Me not like that.
So me not have to please
I'm here spending money, no. When you come here and me and you do a business, I must be the one that enjoy. You know,
so
enjoy.
you have to please yourself and me not to please myself.
Me I pay you. You not pay me.
Me have to please myself too.
Alright, enough of that. Me not really want nothing to the car last night. That's a piece of girl come and tell her, God.
Okay, me never give you nothing.
No, but me I tell you. So you see that girl there, the awesome buy for good as she get it. Me don't know what, you see the girl, me don't know where she get that style from. Hold my finger. Hold my finger about this Wally. Wally not Wally type man. I saw me when me go in there, so me can't come back out. Me I tell you, Wally, I saw you have your whole things, but you not Wally so. When me and you work, you know, Wally so, you know, you just come back out so. Come on, go back out. Come show me yours. We deal with house business.
Oh yeah.
I'm not turn on the AC because I don't want to catch a cold in here. Come through.
You see how the house nice and pretty, and then I look up clear thing me I tell you about.
Alright.
Look
Come here,
on the
now.
house.
My man no live here.
What you mean by it's just my brother's man?
Oh, it's a Asman. Oh, look here. Come on, I'm a good shot, man. It's out of my head, hurt me.
So come now, you not feel worry about that.
No, but me not worry. Listen, man.
When you buy the house, when you deal with that man, come on.
But you see you want it again, so I'm going inside.
6.8 mil, come.
Oh, that's not bad still. Yo, you see me I drive out the Chris car a while ago, and the low. Where can you tell me so we can't put in a lane? Because I'm not like walking up. Anyway, come to the slow one. It don't look bad.
See here, one nice little apartment. So
You have upstairs and downstairs, right? What like?
Yeah, everything.
How much bedroom?
Well, basically down here, so a 4-bedroom and it's a
How much up top?
1 tree.
Alright, so you want to know. Let me see the paperwork we have for the house, so I see what I can do.
But thank God, you know, God is spot here, so I remember that man.
So what you put here, so we're going to put in your panty jar. Your brother search a panty jar?
And you have one baby mother, you have one baby mother, I'm going to finish it.
Alright.
They mix up, so see them.
Oh, but you know, so when you write your full name pan it, where you put in name pan it, because it's a nickname.
Yeah, no. Maybe you make mistake and I can make mistake.
Oh. I don't want you. Oh, you're right, man. Good. Alright. So you want it in a cash or check?
Cash.
Alright, so we go buy it for you. But more you put a little icing on top of it, right?
I mean by icing.
You put a little icing on top of it. After me pay for you also check me. I put the icing on top of it.
Which icing?
The creamy stuff.
Which creamy stuff?
This is icing on top of it.
You can pay for icing on top of it?
I've been getting it, but no icing on the top of it. But now that we have to spend the real money,
Me
put the icing on top of it.
tell you that look money there. You have money, you mean with it. Anyways, this are the nice.
Alright. No, I'm going to buy for you, man. For that, I'm going to put one money for it. I want to say what you say want.
6.8 mil.
I'm going to give you 6.8, 9.99.
Give me 6.9.
About 6.2.
What do you mean by 6.2?
6 point.
If me I sell it for 6.8, you can give me 6.8.
No, I check. Come
You
on.
don't see that? You play with me now?
Guys, you know, we just check you out. Yeah, man, we get 6.8, 9.99.
When I want a 9.90 man, just make it 6.9 and done. So I don't know you're going to 9.90.
Alright then, no worries, son. If you put the ice up on top of it, I give me a baby, we give you 8 million for it.
If you want to buy this have to own by me. Matter of fact. So when you give me the money, me still have to own it. So if you decide...
No. If you buy it, it's like the girl that's going to put a lick last night.
You're going to make she go ice now. Come.
Yes, but anyway, it don't look bad though.
Don't do what now look bad after me.
Yeah. Wow. I'm friendly. Wow. Beautiful though.
I'm a brother baby mother now we are do.
Hi. I'm in the good on me in a cow. We can see.
I'm a brother baby mother, leave her alone.
You're ready to propose what? Hey, beautiful.
You're not here.
Huh? Sweetheart.
You know hear what she say?
Huh?
I'ma take no man soon to be your wife.
Cool, sweetheart.
Yeah.
So, can't catch from the side.
No sir.
Where me by catch money said, Mama put down my phone.
No, man, I do.
Yes, it
I don't know how to plan, man. So, you know, that's my sexy. I need to come custom, you know.
You see how man stay, don't touch me.
Come on,
You
see.
man change like the way that you just a look she
No.
baby mother. And no, she make me I tell you the truth and she ignore you come and switch and talk about why my baby and baby me. Not touch me.
Put the no-nos. Nothing like it though,
Like you like steal.
From what you I tell you, brother,
From
like
body
you
you like.
So you don't want me?
No. Yeah, the one my brother baby mother know you come and look me. What kind of man you be? You can't just want somebody. You want eat she and the.
Alright. Enough of that, bro. I'm friend. I'm really going to find her there. Huh?
No.
Oh. So, let me ask you a question.
The day you couldn't even watch yourself, can give your mother come out here a long time.
That good, man. That good. So, we ain't no time, baby, man. So, sorry, you impressed? Sorry. But anyway, oh, you're so wicked. To your brother, me say I charge 30 grand more for your woman for stay here. How you come down, sir?
So, remember now, two of them, the rent go by how much people, in a matter.
No! Once you pay for your room, you pay for your room. You think I'll tell her?
You can chat, so.
Yeah.
Tell him.
No, I'm not busy with that. I'm telling you, you kind of scheme off look money. I say, you use fee your money and pay your rent. Fee money you have to pay your rent. There's a wicked girl. I don't like that.
May I go and talk to you? May I go and look a bit of privacy? Me not run you no, but
No,
just
man.
want to talk to you.
Not good. Never did pay me anyway.
Oi! Man, what you do here? Because my brother not there for beat him, we beat him myself. Like, baby mother alone.
Yeah, alright, we stick up on him because of fee money I collect. Them 30 grand a month, no normal.
So I'm not for pay it.
Then,
Them do live in here free.
nobody want you.
If me not living here free, I'm gonna live in here free.
Nobody want you. If I say you're gonna cause, you know, if you're hungry, you're better so. And I collect 30 grand from him. Imagine what you collect from me.
I want $10. A 30 grand.
Yeah, what? No worry, me pay.
Pay what?
You rent.
You have money?
So when I pay the rent, you know, sir, now you have to go sleep, you know.
No man, I'm not give up. I'm not give it up so easy. You have to see.
But
You
me
have
have,
to pay the rent and me have to say if you earn it. But it's not like you have money, you have money.
yeah, man, me have money have 14 subjects, you know, man. 14 subjects.
Come closer to me.
No, and I say, you see, I tell you about money, your skin catch a fire, you but come closer. You know, work, so. You see, you did a big mouth a while ago. You sit your brass back over there, so. You see, when they did talk a while ago, they could have hype. Don't touch me.
Your skin pretty.
I don't like see people with them training because a two things coming on my mind. What be your spell? Is either you have time man with it. Hey, calm yourself, man. Why ring for?
Special.
Calm yourself, man. Just relax how your friend, how your brother will come too. To talk. Hey, when we did they look your while, wait till me say, we change like. You see how fast man change. You see how fast woman change as they hear about money.
You did want her to
No, answer the question.
Your skin pretty.
Answer me question. I say answer my question. You see how fast you change. I say about money. And money change woman. You never know that.
Come sit down up on this stomach.
Money will make you jump all off a building.
No business.
Relax, I talk to you. I talk to you. Me and your friend, you know. We can't
Me no want
look my friend, sister, you know, make no
Him
sense.
not have to know you're idiot.
No. Because you know me chat woman, they tell them to me keep them out up to I mean I have to mention them name, say boy your sister give me one of the wickedest. And that also
No,
sad.
wrong with that.
You know say I'm a wicked girl. Me not trust you, you know.
Shut up, man.
How much money you have? Answer my question. How much money you have?
I don't have none me that plan to look the one overseas.
Liar! How much money you have? Remember say me sketch in the car and the car and shape so now what you did in there do?
I know me. Maybe we have the same hairstyle.
Me see the car a bounce up. Bounce up and when me look at your head this is on the mirror so. I like me I tell. Don't touch me. Don't touch me man. Last time you think me could have get a one knockout of you but you know it's too late.
So if you like say you're not this and go ahead, me kill you.
Well, the conversation done right here, so. I don't want nothing. I don't want no knock. I don't want no ticket.
But don't tell me whether so what have the conversation yesterday.
Oh?
Don't tell me whether so what have the conversation.
As long as me remember nothing what you say, I'm blind to what you say. No. See there?
Where you run from, mister? You can't buy me a box food now. Can't bother with the boy there, you know. I must get him.
Hello. Oh, one.
What, girls? You know
Yeah.
what I'm gonna see you? How we come from foreign, now we bring back for me, you know.
Who come from foreign?
Now you almost foreign, you come from foreign.
No, I'm just avoid the road look a bit, yeah, man. Come, can't
Somebody
take for me.
breed you?
Yeah. Should me avoid the road, somebody have to breed me?
You? Well, of what, sir?
No, I can't keep a mix up business. So me just go on, just come and come by
Yeah,
one
I have
curve.
a cigarette and a lighter. Who can manage you?
Anyway, I know that I come over here for the plan work with me to do.
Of course it work.
So me supposed to call it now.
Him not give me no money yet. You just love money, so you can't wait.
You don't love money. If you never love money, you would have do this.
Anyways, I have a friend. But him so give the money. Him so give me a money.
Don't ramp with me, you know. If you ramp with me, you know what
You hear about money or something about 12. You just listen.
Yes. If you don't have money,
You
you
have to
don't
get
have
the
nothing.
money and you have to make sure shut your mouth, you know. Because I know you stay more.
If me not get the money, me I go
Yes, the same thing me I tell you about. Then I could style it with you.
So if me not get the money for the children and keep quiet like an idiot?
Anyways, me I make you get it soon as possible. Come know your mouth love or not.
Alright. Me I go back over because as me say me I avoid the road because me don't want to hear from my name. So me I go back over yard.
Alright.
Yeah, me see you.
Theater.
Yeah, the bird. Oh, babe.
Yeah, no baby.
Good. How will you eat?
Well, I didn't go to the soup.
Soup. So no.
I didn't want to peas.
Oh, God.
You know, it's not bad. You know, it's not bad. I don't like it. You know, say, when you never did there, your friend come over here. That you're a friend.
A friend?
Yeah, it turns out to your friend. I don't know him, but it turns out to your friend.
Oh, one big brown guy.
Tall.
What am I say?
Well, your sister come to how me see it. So I guess sister come, but you must show me a vibe. Like, you like me now. That when you would go pan me.
So you don't know say I'm baby mother?
Your sister tell him that, but it seems like you don't care. I don't like
Alright.
anything there.
I go talk to him about it. I'm a good friend. No? I'm a good friend. You sure say no say I'm a baby mother?
Your sister tell him. You have to talk again with some friend. We take with them woman.
Hello, good evening. When you know I said one, I really like this on my spot. I really like when too much people in my spot.
What do you mean by we sit down anywhere we are pay rent, yeah?
You know, see the bigger couch. Come on, man. One my spot, and I make people sit down in my spot.
You just always want to spoil people's mood, so. And come in. Come.
Alright.
Go on in them, soon come here.
Alright.
Go and talk to you about something. But my friend tell me, say,
Which friend?
him say wrong. For me, I feel to we are pay 2
You know, see an idiot. Him fool. When tell you say?
Him say wrong.
Him never tell us say come over here look your baby mother. He no good.
My baby mother just tell me.
Yeah. Then don't listen to him if you see if him do that, I be a lie man full up your head. I lie man tell you about the ring. Cause if you gone to look your baby mother.
Don't why would I do that and he know say me can't read and write.
Because him not have no sense. Cause you know say you can't read and write.
My friend have 14 subjects. And people
So
with sense.
him still done. I tell you about
You can read up, me ask you something. You can read upside down.
No,
My friend read upside down.
Well, I don't care about him upside down reading. I know say I trust in him like God, you have a faith in him. But listen to me. You see what I'm telling you? Say, maybe you make you send something on him right there, so yeah.
You know at first me I believe something when you said though.
After, remember I tell you, I say, 1 room, 4 people, 4 different rent money. I saw it around now. Yeah. That's
Alright,
why
then,
people kind of live
just-
in a cottage these days because they can't really manage it.
Me just the one know because I go to him and ask him about it. And he said wrong. So I come to him and ask about
Now
it.
listen,
And
trust in
argument.
your sister this time. Where?
Alright. So you're good.
And
You not get to him
oh,
yet?
so your baby mother no cook?
No, she said she boiled some soup but a little bit. I just want chicken breast, she good get
She can
it.
cook good?
Yeah.
Oh, come now, when sister.
A place that she used to work,
I love
restaurant.
my belly. Oh.
So one to for you and you can cook for yourself?
You know I'm cook sometimes, but sometimes I just tired of the fireside.
Yeah, cook from stove, what kind of fireside?
So I don't steal fire, I want cookie food.
You don't get too money yet, you don't get too money for me to pay the rent.
What do you mean by stop pay with rent?
Then if you are there with the man for the house,
Yes,
how
still have a parent, and me are there with him, no you. What do you mean by?
So I say you're wicked to me?
Are you a go bed with him?
That not sex.
You have to pay your rent money same way. You talk about
And I would have your man.
So we are trying to tell me, say, me if I lie down with him for you, for sake of your sake too.
Yeah, come here, yeah, blood.
No, And then me here in the bed and me alone. I'm telling you that you have to pay the money rent money.
Alright. Alright. And now I feel the pain. You just ask, you can't, you really
anyway,
have
yes,
to
me I work on him forgetting because him have the money. Then we can help you with your rent, but we can't make him just.
Yeah, help me with the rent.
I'm still getting still because I be an art emoji myself, so I look like him getting a feeling. No. Wait, no? Same number for you?
No, I'm just look at me, if me know him.
No.
I memorize, so I know.
When he come here, you see him.
He might come.
Yeah, he soon come down.
But I can't remember me not there, you know. I'm not here.
Yeah, man.
Wait. So no man name this? I lie.
Oi! How you do it then?
So I'm a man house. A fame house. And you want to pay rent.
What you do under your stuff to find them documents?
As you can see, I clean up. Now but tell me man, I feel the house.
Keep on there yesterday. Boy, I tell man like I feel like I have to stop my little progress. Feel like I have to stop this. And you go there is one that is. Is your body heavy? No, sir.
So, you can't do it for me, see, like you do it.
No, man, you know what, sometimes I push them up and come in.
Oh, I would give me one.
I like them.
Look at people sitting on the place. So.
I don't know, so I never remember it. So,
Oh,
so
God.
sweet.
Yeah.
She gone on the road, you know.
Going on the road.
Yeah.
And she don't tell me that?
Her phone did dead. Yeah, she tell me if I tell you.
But you're not talk. I first me see you're not talk. Why you're not talk?
Why?
You not even like her.
What do you mean by me not like her?
You don't like her. Come say you look on her, you don't like her.
Well, we give her some money still, you know. But, look like, say,
Me tell you say me broke.
you look like a run through and half left your still.
My woman don't you?
Remember
Yeah, try to turn my mind against me.
No, remember
Man.
say she a breeding a pregnant woman of some little thing about her. Maybe she's tired of her and she don't want to see her. She ate her now since she have the baby in her belly, but you look like
My
she
woman not doing that. She love me and I love
well,
her
if she
back.
did love you, she would run off. So, explain how
Oh, she run off and she said she gone down the road to come back.
Well, first, whenever you feel like Now I feel heartbroken. Somebody try to protect my little brother heart. But now I have to tell you the truth, cause you go look for her and I see her for a good while, so she run off.
Yes. I'm not even listening, man. I wait till my woman come.
She now come back.
She's coming back. She love me. I like when for your relationship then when for your man say where I'm back saying your face one night time them. Matter of fact, yeah man, yeah man there. Cause you not give me no update.
Who left that? Which one you talk?
For the house, yeah.
Oh, him so come man. Him so come. Of course.
I know me I hear say I come. I know we can't come down here.
Listen. Him did
So
come.
trust you.
Him did
Like
come.
you want you collect your rent every month, so.
Yeah, cause me are the one female him know. But as me I say, him did for come down here a good while, but then I tell him say, hello, if you not have 500 US, you know what sense you come down here. So him a work
500 US.
500,000 US. Yeah. So him a work on it, cause I love money and him can't come down here.
You love too much money give planting. A planting you want?
No wrong with planting as much as the money enough and it tall, yeah me take it one plant now. Especially if you plant now rotten already.
Okay.
If you plant now rotten, yeah, it's even better.
Alright. Me not tell you what to do with your life, you know, but you see when you take the man money and you don't want to take the plant when I did them, I was sorry. Remember something tell you that, yeah?
Why?
So take him and them money.
So let me out take a walk and come back.
So where you tell me that one? May you stop? You see me I gotta work, me I say, sis, me gotta work. May you stop?
Sometimes you're sick.
Who sick you? Me sure know me no name, when name
Listen.
flu and dengue fever
The best
or
thing me
whatever.
advise you,
Yeah?
you go cook cause your woman now come back.
My woman will come back and cook for me.
Blessed. Come there.
Hold on.
Go on. Where sister there?
I'm sister there. She just come so long gone now. I will come there, bro.
Yeah, I come for buy the finish pay for your house. Can you say you're going to sign up a paper right now? Because I want purchases and I can. And if I tear it down.
Yours not sell.
Huh?
Yours not sell. My parents said a long time.
Listen, man. I want them to come here. And she put the husband, but she have to make you sign it. Did you sign the paper there, man? Never be stubborn, you know. It's money, it's millions of dollars me have here, so you know, be stubborn, you know.
What do you mean by?
He say you go take a little time for you to sign the paper. So he say by now you don't sign the paper. So, cause for your house, cause your father will it to you, cause when your father
What is it?
No, he say your house is for your father, and your father will it to you before you leave Jamaica. But
You will it to me?
But she have the papers there, so she go make a sign the
So
paper.
for me house.
Yeah, did you sign the paper though?
Me no sign, we did sign.
You sign any paper at all over to her? You sign the
She
name
give
on
me one paper, it's true, me can't read.
But you
She
sign
give
the
me one
paper?
paper and say,
I want
if you
to
sign the paper, I feel me house. You might just tell me, say, I feel me house.
Let me buy a few.
But yeah, but-
Then I hear some we sell yours.
You sign, you know what?
You might say, wait a second, repeat what you say, can
I come to buy the house. You see, if not, to honest talk, right? Hello, money in my bag. And I told her, so when I come, I'm a businessman.
Where am I talking?
It's a family feud.
I don't know where I'm getting the information from.
I cannot do business like this. I don't want when I buy the house, so the young man come try come kill me.
The house, you said already, what am I talking about?
Sir, don't come here, come and tell my brother about boy who own the house, cause the house sell long time. The house sell.
So you gonna sell me? Oh, you sell me house, you don't sell.
What you talk about? Me no know where.
He just say, oh, it's a for me.
Oh, you sell.
Oh,
Sell already.
Oh, you sell the money. Oh,
Wait there. You see the money from going to the bank. You know how much I link me have to pay. I get so much millions out of the bank one time. Because them things say last time one company said 15 million out of it. Our world with 15 million.
Sir,
you don't rob my money.
Wait a minute. Rasta.
No, but listen. I don't know where my talk.
He said about man, he said, Will. My father left my name in 19 and my house.
Which will? You see me with no will? Which will you matter, boy? You hear me?
You don't know about man say, I feel me house.
I don't know your house. Remember me tell you say the house sell all long. The man Sue come down, the man the overseas a look money my work pan. Nobody making the rest of man they come a full up your head a be a crap.
Me I go get down to the bottom. And matter of fact too, they come to a thinking about that. The paper them you give me for sign what day here. I hope say I know the will you make me go sign over the house.
You want me go for the paper
and sign over the house because you know say me can't read. You take advantage.
So your bright friend don't read it, eh?
Me don't know.
Oh, you don't know. I went since I have faith in him.
I know. You see,
You want me go for the paper?
Yeah, go for it and let me
Me I
see.
go for the paper. Me I go for the paper.
And you have to read out everything and let me see. Cause oh man, just come and say I feel me also. Just feel me also. Eh? Call the paper come, let me see it.
Me I come.
Cause you see when I can't read, I this happen to you know, when I can't read. Oh, you there so long? Carry paper come. Come I don't know where you take so long.
I two choice here. You see? Either you dead or me go jail. And me not go jail.
So,
and matter of fact, let me tell you this. Your woman dead, so you can't stop think about her. Cause me kill her and me I sell this. And I'm tell you the truth, yeah, you sign over the will to me and me I own this now.
don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me.
You see like how you find out the fact now, say.
Don't kill me, please.
Me I own this,
Please don't kill me.
me I go kill you in here. Cause you not live for Ghana police station, you know, and you not stop my
Don't
shine,
kill
you
me.
know.
What?
You.
I'm going to hold it. I'm going. Hold on.
And then no matter what you want and I can't fight.
You always, you see, you can't read. Because you me call if you read the damn sitting there and you tell me say it alright.
Why are you
Paper, I'm see paper.
long time later,
I'm saying to make me sign over all to her. I feel me all.
Daddy, 13 subject come tell me get and then give me one penny. I never subject, Daddy.
Oh,
Something like that, subby. I'm just Jackie. You're mad. You ever see me I study that much? I didn't get no subject, Daddy.
do you tell me say you get subject? I know it's
Yes, it's one, but doing it is the other way.
She
Me never do
wants
it.
me.
You tell me do it, me get it.
I feel me house, because a man coming to buy a house.
Yeah.
And the man say, you sign the paper here and me I say, what kind of paper you are talking about? And she killed me baby mother.
You gonna let me come over, Cozy?
Kill me baby mother, that's why me have a liquor in the head with the gun.
What's that good thing? Somebody want to take a knock out their sisters, will and knock me out, cold and kill me too. I cold and people them here.
You have to help me.
Help who? Take up what?
You have to help me.
Daddy, are you in this mess? Me not take up.
You knock her out too.
Oh!
You.
Daddy, look. You see Mr. Chai? Mr. Chai? Me come over here.
That's why I'm trust some more now.
Just, What's that?
Because I carry paper, I call and say, come read them to me and me tell me to you have 40.
Yes, I'm for reading, right? Reading, I'm reading. That's all I do. I never force you to sign it.
So you never see what I say? Tell her for me house.
No, I don't understand it.
It's to shoot that you see.
Hey! Hold on, cooler.
Because you think you're my friend and you're not my friend, you know.
Relax, not that. Put on gun. Just cool up and shoot
You
she.
think you're my friend.
That didn't shoot she and she had the
You
team.
tell me lie.
Just cool. Allah, we pray, please. Please, just put on gun. Yeah, man, that's cool, man. Nobody. I put your head. Hey!
I'm not going to do no man. I'm going to do
Put your bullet head. Put your gun head,
I'm
man.
not going to do.
Put your head.
I'm not going to do
Put your head. Put your head. Stress the car. Put your head, man. Just put your head. Put your head up and just squeeze. Yeah.
I dead. I don't want me dead.
No.
Come out, Tessa.
Call a man, we're not friends.
Me a go to station. I left it right there so. God.
Hey, no go down there. You touch your gun, not you?
Yeah, if you are
If
going
you go
to
down there, you go and kill a lot of people. You go to prison.
then take it and go on then. Get. Me not there either too, me blind too. Alright guys, reach the end of the movie. If I wasn't at my best, comment in the comment section because I was very ill on this day, but I still put out effort just to make you guys get this movie on this specific day. Alright, so sorry about that. So I hope you guys understand the story and everything go through well and you enjoyed it. So see you in the next movie because we're posting every Saturday. No Saturday no miss because we want you guys to stay occupied. Alright, so remember, contact the number on the screen or in the description to donate, and see you in your next movie. Alright, give thanks.